93.3 FM. Okay. Why am Mama Fimo? Mira Yesue. Psalm 37 minutes into 6 a.m. Live on AHENKAN933FM. Matching media yasinkunya ya de brewo. A free sub break up him say and pay non do a bebo. A forgotten country. I am Mama Fimo. Na me pacha wano pray se bibi abakod ye. Wati mi asore e wa sumdue kwan so ente sa. Na wo sorry ya no aka bibi a kire rade de. Na wo sorry ya na bum. Unyanye ye de a. Me ma wakwanya no. Woni unyankopon kasa ka bibi kire no. Na dum ne nhwe so pa ne bambo. Rade ama na broso adoso. E de ama wo de ne na waka bibi a kire no. Arintina no pay any abusia santin. Yeni ya jimemufuo, yeni ye memufuo. Nya ye kache we rade ne sasedan kan udin. Ye da se ufuo wona madomani moburu hunsu ama na no pay. Wakan ya kan tiasefo ho. Enya tiasefo kekene mom. Atiasefo ahoden wo ho. Atiasefo a wadoma doso amayen. Na ye de nije ni ahoden asori afri enkete so. Wa krakra yen de abeduru adwuma mu a na ne ye kanisa sedan kan odin ye ogidie said ya onyanko yen so wo de ne be kwa asumdwe mu asan de wo mu nyina asan ba So we have done 40 minutes already into 6. I am a man no. Obron Sam Shishe Bebre. Now so Radiwa Doma Dawson. Today happens to be the 9th day of September 2022. And a fiada, a bit more friendly, freaky, funky, a bit more so friendly, vintage. Send your friendly be a fiada. So, so, on behalf of the team, as always, Udi AHENKAN933FM Yaboa, Ajumpa Hinikofi Mengsa, Kobe K Kwame Asante Billy Man, back on your radio. Ming so Edia Mejeso. Obuoba Ofori Amanfo. Yokotoku Mayor. Andra Yumren Sam Sisi. But a radical home. Adia Bakwe say in crying say, was say and boss say, a year so chill so said Danyara, and ya dear Ubiguing and Nimwase. So I say, ain't he a dear in Yarawabeba? Breaking news, I would do the Muyan in Yamunye, a best Sibebre, but Yawahoto so say, Yakri and young coupon. Yawe Urade. And inti a year so chill so said Danyara. Say Radino Ongwing and Nimwase. A humbetu Asroche Bebo. Or how near Mania Beba. nanso ye de da ye wa hoto so ni mu se onwin animu ase eya na wakasa de akere wo ho sometimes so tin sem ni bia na wo ye ma hyew wo tin sem ni bia na obisa se nanso se wo be kai a ena no nyankopon ene Israel fo enya pamtie oka kire won se wona wone won wa pam no wo kai apam anopai so be yo setie dia ma awurade a wo mu se ade no eduru ba bia na aye huhuhu de nanso nyankopon de onim ne de wo mu na obofo a wo sei ade ne tisi kronim na ode yare eba ode ahokere eba ode ekom otan ene anitan ede eba kronim a awurade be kai apam one ne mawo se awurade kai apam ane one omo ewo Jericho enya ye de a ene na won soso anopo awurade be kai apam a ono wo se eyire so kire so seden ongu animu aseda Ebrena waya mama fimo etinka kankakra ade ayeko awurade ode ye betwa. We have done 9 days in the month of September already, and we still believing and trusting in Him. Said Yakanyina so or the Yebicha. Why am Mama Fimo? Mira Yesue. Enti big story enra ebreki ye mejidi yesa no pay ya sense subiemu dia ma but mo a afei kura na mo eba betie no. The news is that the Queen of England, Queen Elizabeth II, Mami wada ni benkum eso enra na sa awira husemi ba beto idwa na wabra yegusu a ye dwendwe ho se oh asembe ni no na ye yankase yen Ghana hanso so ye ayennua baako a oyi empasere ema ye nyina sere Baba Spirit nso so enra ebeto dwa mo amutie boiling issues no ye ne yonko brebo pa ne yonko brebo pa Kwame Yima dodo no afre no Kwapia yene Kwapia ebo enkomo anase Kwapia confirm ma yen on our show enra nwumre no se eye no kre se Baba Spirit enra awia donko ena ono so ofura ne ntoma ewo ne tintin mu it is what ya see na what ya seda ma Awurade omo aye announce we yawu no ye no mu nyina ne sha afia se asomdwe mu na omo wani daso ne ahotoso se wo mo nso ani so ade hunu wo mo nsa beka but anopai wo mo we he we ye omo wo dinti yate ayebo na omo a omo nso afiri mu omo ni dinti yente yenso ewo mote nanso mpani say Yesu kra ye jai him so are as here and wachi anope ya besa gbawura issues ahodo bebre no a emu na ya hwe di mu enkomo de ama o Bacho wiem wabre nsem yem fanto aso na fe yen kwen animu sei ene na wiem wabre besi akofiti ano pe kopim anwumre apuya mantam nyina yen constituencies ne 33 na sei ena etie Oseme nka nkyerɛ wo sɛ anɔpa yi ade a ensuo no puema ntam amiaya hodo ni bie no epetepeten kakra. Epetepeten ya na ɔkyerɛ sɛ awia ne beyi ne ti. Awia ne beyi ne ti ade akye awia ne beyi ne ti kama. Eyi ne ti ebɛbɔ a na afei yɛkɔ awia bremu no a premo to brɛ hɔ no ha. Na ɔkyerɛ sɛ ewie mu asan yɛ sɛ de ensuo ni munamuna no ɛbɛyɛ partly cloudy ɛne nti ya na no nso wahyɛ ne nso ama me ɛbɛyɛ saa de akɔpem anwumrɛ ɛne nti ya na ɛno nso so wahyɛ ne nso ensuo kakra wɔ wiem awia ɔmo kyerɛ sɛ ne nso awia bɛbɔ saa nso na ensuo no bɛsan amunamuna ɛne nti ya na wahyɛ ne nso ɛde ama me
Ghana Adisie Obuoba Ofori Amanfo emamo ate edeba AHENKAN933FM
Many are called, but few are chosen. And I yes, Radi said, we don't want to be part of the many that have been called, but we want to be part of the few that have been chosen. So at yes, yeah. I don't see yes, I ate was near Vienna. Yet was near Vienna. And I had a First Peter chapter 9. First Peter chapter 2, the verse 9, rather. And ye di et was so. And in Tiene, ye can kind First Peter chapter 2, the verse 9. The Bible says, but ye are a chosen generation, a royal priesthood, an holy nation, a peculiar people, that ye should show forth the praises of him who had called you out of darkness into his marvelous light. But ye are a chosen generation, a royal priesthood, an holy nation, a peculiar people, that ye should show forth should show forth the praises of him who had called you out of darkness into his marvelous light. But ye are a chosen generation, a royal priesthood, and a holy nation, a peculiar people, that ye should show forth the praises of him who had called you out of darkness into his marvelous light. We are ready anymore, Samu. Osena modie moye abusia a wayi won abusia a waye den wayi won ahene asafukuo oman kronkron oman a wafa won aye ono ara ne de se monka de ofra mu free esum ba ne han a eye nwanwa mu ose monka mu ne ehun maniye nkyere enti anopai you are not just Pentecost member. Tidia make a tell no. Me say, I sorry now what choosing na oko no ho. En sorry ne doso but where you back open na oko. And now me person open me catch will say you are not just a member of that church. You are not just an employee of that company. Awurade Nyankopon ahye you. You have been specially chosen to be part of that family. And into wo ya oni ma no wa ni yie. Me say wo ya oni ma no wa ni yie. En sorry doso ade na wo yi sa sorry no. Adwuma ne dɔɔso ade ne Nyankopɔn ma kwan e ma ye fa wo sa adwuma ni mu e kyerɛ sɛ Awurade ahye da yiw sɛ Awurade ahye da yiw dia e wo sɛ wutimi dai esu ne ban bia dia e dia di monyam hye e de be ma Nyankopɔn na wayiw no oyiw di wo free unemployment mu oyiw di wo free adwamambɔ mu no ɔde wo ma asafo no Awurade na oyiw wo free animguaseɛ mu na ene ɔde wasima pɔn matena bia no ba bia ugina no e wo sɛ wo ma wabrabɔ etu hwa se aduhwam e wo se wo ma wabrabɔ ye nhwɛsodie e wo se wo ma wabrabɔ ye adansedie e wo se wo ma wabrabɔ e di animonyam ebre Nyankopɔn ahenie no eni nti o say but ye are a chosen generation a free juada no na ne yesre Awurade se open nkrofo ma o ma ye na dwuma na se Awurade hwehwɛ mu a onyi yen ebi Awurade atie na wayi yen Awurade atie na wode na dwuma hyɛ yensa ene ebinom otonyum onyame fie ebinom kanyame nsempa ebinom bontwene ebinom su miemia sankuo eno na nopai Awurade sɛ ka kyerɛ minu mienu sɛ wo de wayiw o de wo de wabisade tu nanim watie na waya maw. But ye are a chosen generation, a royal priesthood, and holy nation, a peculiar people, that ye should show forth. So now the onus lies on you. It has become incumbent on you to show forth the goodness that God has deposited in you. And your papa uradidia no. Botayenti our frɛ no. The purpose for that call, it lies on you. Say you will show forth. Let the people begin to see the Christ-like in you. Ma enipa ma adasa enhuru nyamesu a ewo mu. Sa wo sum nyame. Sa wo ye Kristoni na bepem ne yentimi nhwe wo so na ye nsakira ya dwen yentimi nhwe wo so na nyamesom no ye kon yentimi nhwe wo so na ye nka nkyere ye ho se ade we na meye na papa we ye na maami we ye se maami we ye gyae ne de a men so me gyae a na there is a question mark e wo nyamesom ne ho anopo Nyankopon se men kan to se na wo de we yiw and intima usune wo ban ensem fata obi a wayi no wayi mu de maka ono na busuakuo ho na mo de oseden wayi mo e de aka ono ankasa na busua ne de yen kuo ne ho. But ye are a chosen generation, a royal priesthood, not just a priesthood but a royal priesthood. Nyankopon bu nipa Nyankopon ema nipa som ne bo. But ye bisa say Awurade o ma ne som wo bo ana. But ye are a chosen generation, a royal priesthood, and a holy nation. When we nyina accolades Nyankopon de ma yen. Nyankopon science amnane. But the question I'm asking you this morning is say wan kasa wo de wo ho no ubetumi ama wo ho nsamnane say eye no krasa meme de we yi me edi ama na busua kuo no meme de we yi me sameme ye na djuma e wo no kre ene enkwam meme de me ye holy nation. Can you boast of sa accolades wan kasa? A peculiar people mudamu sronko odamu sronko because enipa bebre no na adwuma ya ye omunya ya nka omo be ye enipa bebre na they are brilliant and intelligent more than what we think we are, but we have gotten the opportunity, we have been chosen. It is a awurade yi media ene na enwo se me betena ha yi me gu Nyankopon nanimu ase. So awurade nam na kwaso no wagye wadi no am wakwanya de a, then now that you have the opportunity, you have no excuse to come and fail Anopa ya bompa ya mawurade atie yen. Wa mai adoma kyede se yemfa nto nwom. Mibisa se wo de to e wa asore ho ana o pra na wo de one no anyame de ama wo no wo de to nwom. Anopa yi minware mo amoye instrumentalists for no. Omo keyboard no a you expect them to pay you before you go. Ana ukokoye wadwuma say omo e bless wa you are okay. Osofo enti we are sure say akwankyera wo de agu fam agu ene ye de akwankyera be gu fam. Hallelujah. Ye me se ye de akwankyera be gu fam. Akwankyera wo de gu fam no Nyankopon ji wo di ye ena oyi wo. He believed in you, and now you have been chosen to be part of people that serve him. Maybe sir, akwankyera wo de gu fam ni frɛ Awurade de. But when you say we a peculiar person, adwuma wo ho ka kyerɛ wo nua saa say Awurade yi mi bio, Awurade mi nso mi frɛ mi bio, Awurade frɛ mi bio no, Awurade frɛ wo adwuma wo ho. And let me put it very straight to you. Enye nipa nyina na bebe asase so abedi yie. Me say to become rich and now wealthy, eno krampo no gise nyame adoma to so. You need a certain grace. And this are yedie ebeba betwam wo aboboa no entumi monwura wo fie da. You need a certain grace. Inti yedie kura no a spirit. Yedie kura no ye said that choosing crofo mom di ye. I'm telling you. Ye said that choosing crofo obuo no ane honhom ye very fragile. On to me and so yedie mu. Inti yedie mpo no ye said that choosing crofo mom di ye. Anopa yi Awurade Nyankopon say se wa ma wadi ye wa yiw e de waka wo mo a ye beka se we mu de o ma di ye o ma ye yie no ye yiw de waka saafo ne ho me bisa say ye die no a wanya no den na wo de ye. Are people benefiting from your richness? Are people benefiting from that your worldliness? Are people benefiting from it? Ana wo de ye wo ne wo yere ene wo mape na wo dwene wo ho. Hwe se Nyankopon kura hira wo a se Nyankopon yiw na oye wo odefo wa abusua ni mu a wanyi wa anya wo odefo se fa behwe wo nkwan ho. Nyankopon yiw ma wo ye odefo se fa beboa nkrofo. Eno nso so ye calling ni bia ntayam se calling no ne wan say me apostle, me a prophet, me a this, me a that. It is never like that. Okay, kan Bible na Nyankopon said that ye Dorcas no mo. Nyankopon said that eyi ema bi ewo Yesu Kristo na breso or said that choose them. They were specially chosen to sponsor the kingdom business, and they did justice to that. Dorcas support two years Dorcas hunu say ye die no ame wo no Awurade anyemi ye Awurade anchusi me amama anya odefo se me mfa meboa me yankasa me ho. Minim se Awurade yi me ma me ye odefo se me mfa meboa afoforo edi nti se ya asra Awurade se wonyi yen na watie yen na wayi yen dia. Eni Awurade se me nka nkyerɛw se you should show forth the praises of him. You should show forth the goodness of God. You should show forth the Christ-like. Show forth of him who had called you out of the darkness into his marvelous light. Awurade adomo no so mfa ma wo. Ne honhom nkoso amutu so. Na onyi honhom kronkron anopai. Na omeka kai wo. Say watimi abie store no. Enya wankasa wo pem na wode bie yo. Nyankopon hye da yi wo. En wa be bie sa store no. Eni nti ya nya nipa ho abotre. Entrentrem nipa. Woni nipa kasa basa. But nya wonim ne say store no nka obi abetimi abie bi. But Nyankopon hye da yi wo se bie store na manage enipa. Adwuma bia wo ye bia no wo ye driver. Nyankopon hye da yi wo se bra betwi nipa. Behwe sade wo ni nipa beden ebe nante interpersonal relations no Nyankopon pese udi pin no eni nti na ode wo betena steer na chi eni nti se nipa fro ka no a enka wani mu nsi ye won so so wadwuma nyame de ahye won nsa no ma Awurade ani mu nyam na adi ewo baby bia wo ye wasem bia ye can say for them also to come join us so that we can enlarge the kingdom. Ofra me Obuoba Ofori Amanfo the Kutuku mayor anopa yi ye de to aso mu wi a ye besa na ba biem na afa ye de aka nyina de akeka ho de ama Maakye eni dwumadi ni din
Abozeke Sports Jagum.
This is the moment we're waiting for. Ladies and gentlemen, it's sports time!
Minya.
Oh, chairman.
Bibi aboko there.
Nyame ado bibi aboko. Bibi aboko. Yaba.
Yeah, sir.
Thank God it's Friday.
Sure.
Na just a weekend you so ba me so be konkan. Na wa kwaji wa home kakra. Tin na Nyankopon yi a kire me no. Obe konkan.
Me wa yi o.
Ah, to be kokwa wo.
There be. Me ba me tu kwan. Me konkan, me kokwa ba me tu kwan.
Eni ebe ye so menya. Sumenya for mo expect Obuoba. Obuoba sumenya.
Na me feel so me bi feel so.
Say we dey me so timi ye baby. Obi a. So timi gura baby a. Obi a kwani na mche bia ba dey so wetima ko sumenya.
Okay.
Obi ko sumenya. Nti sumenya for.
Yeah, weekends ya yentna ha.
But me dey me hunu so obi ko sumenya. Wan ko sumenya dia la.
E bi kwara me ko ukrom hu bi mo be den ho.
Chebi.
Me se be den ho.
Okay, no so account. Ba aya ko sumenya.
Yeah.
Sumenya no e ho ye kama. Amotonton ayewa.
Me kwa yi a wo se sumenya na sumenya me de na da.
Na say nkofo ko yi aduane no mkofo be fie. Ezi mama no ma show.
Oye mo fa kobra.
Okay, abusiafo ye nkwane afa gudie mu nsem no. Ye mfem la ne afa seda no mfema ye bisenyame power investment. Omaso yasen ena no pay na bisenyame se bra for sika no beto na busumi bia no. Ye ma 7% interest emfam piu sika no so mfema. We umpe we na apede bisenyame de je se obaga na ha obia de atom. Uwura mu na je se aban mu kura na ho no bia de ni sika no koto esanse omo no Nyankopon ensa wade na omu yenum. Omo sendi no kure enti bisenyame power investment ni de obia fo ni sika nkoto na je se bosomi no so a wenya 7% interest e de appeal sika no so afa main branch no e wo kaso a new market beba no na ye boho afa yenwura mu e wo agona so edro tezaku inti asaman kese afa wura mu achim so edro wura mu ba odan kofa ye kofi agiri kromu wura mu fuasia yire bi dwa obia wura mu e wo agona so edro unyadu agona so edro a wo so pe bebia tezaku yenya che tezaku ha unyadu a bisenyame power investment amo branch ne bako afa tema comti 9 e won so ye boho on pen afa person of kwankyerefo ne dia enie 0557 228512 0557 228512 bisenyame power investment almost yasen ene anopay
and natural mineral water 7 can function ne anopay se open super panum dia dane dame ba me kan furu bom de wuro tonton ka chase kope and natural mineral water ni bina fei kwatona bona bia enko fan enso emfa emao na and natural mineral water de se wo ye se wo ye birthday se wo to badin se wo ware emfa ho na de bia ye bia se wo ba se enko ade a na se open super panum fie enko ade a se ope eye potassium calcium manganese ene de wowom ni ade ade ni na se ene de nuduro wo nsuom ni na ade se and natural mineral water no ebi ewoma bia ebebo na bibia enso akofan ede amawo da wani na fo ni chemu achimo na uduru Ghana commercial bank eye omni no na eye opsit be hu se ye sia brunsan fefefe ufro bi kura ho be se unnatural mineral water no ebanim se gboyi kopa bi to na afi bia enkofan emfa emawo number ni nie bia na wo pe bia tu akoton adwuma ni Ghana o 680-213 0500-231-091 0500-231-091
afa yen kwani yen fam no ne nsam no yen fam ranua no mienu the champion Kofi Agire afa the champion Brimpon Pokwari Ray and Abu Yachidom na yes champion Kwabreje nim head of sports kwabena baby will be a special good morning and come am say nche baba na afa yasanka gumine ekoya nim ya shas ye enfem free UEFA na yes league no and na yes matches ni bi ekọ so Europa League no na yes no a ugura mu ewo group A say na tie FC Zurich etna ho inform Arsenal be bon academy no FC Zurich eti kan baako edi nketia Ghana ni abrante no a wo kire sa abrante no ni bobo o transfer to tontran ne bi afa PSV Eindhoven uremu Netherlands a eton sai frɛ bodu obi a hyere nyonko no eka baako ewo group B no say ene koi AEK Lalana enso eton sai the first star Reniers omu free France eno a Kalman Din Sulemana Ghana ni no ya assist edema team for star Reniers amu timi kwachi AEK Lalana ebone kana mienu eba mienu amu so etika no baako so ho Fenerbahce ewo take abonten so etimi chi Dynamo Kiev ebone kana mienu Dynamo Kiev enso tika no baako ewo group C no senetie AJK enso etra ho ema Robertis ebone kana mienu AJK etimi afa ball Antwerpen eno a abrate fan Benate Kwete otimi gyinamu asiakan Edman Lugolet boboko no ema mutimi chi Jalwosi AS Roma ebone kana mienu ema Roma etika no so baako uko group D na say na koye Mamo FF etra ho ema Sporting Braga eko bone kana mienu Mamo FF etimi afa ball Antwerpen uko Germany so a Union Berlin enso etimi tra ho ema Union Saint omu free Chelsea Roma team wey omu free Belgium ebe bone kana baako a na say Union Berlin eno a omu say bet papa nyasem ketwa Manchester United ewo group E no omu tra Old Trafford ema Real Sociedad Anota Boys eko bone kana baako a Manchester United etimi antikano Sasuna Omonia Nicosia enso etra ho FC Sheriff eno abrantia you vraiment say former Asante Kotoko goalkeeper ro abrantia for Razaka Belua woni abrantia for Mundasiru wo mu ni atimi kire etimi boa FC Sheriff awo mutimi kwachi Omonia Nicosia ebone kano miensa Omonia Nicosia etimi afa ball Antwerpen yenko group F na yeni komai say ne ko ye Germany no Freiburg boboko no enso etimi chi Karabakh ebone kano mieno Karabakh eti kanu bako afi 90s boboko no etimi chi Olympiacos ebone kano mieno Olympiacos eti kanu bako yenko group H na yeni komo Ferencvaros boboko no enso etimi chi Transaspor ebone kano miensa Transaspor eti kanu mieno na fe Resta Belgrade enso etra ho Info Monaco ekobone kanu bako a Resta etimi afa ball Antwerpen
yena ni na fe yenremu awa Europa Conference League ni so enso matches no bebrena ana top fam na results ni say ena se eko real Fiorentina transfer ehye kan bako ama RFS enso ehye kan bako kupiema has and to be anshebi Istanbul Besiktas enso ehye kano enai upiemu Anderlecht ebo kan bako ama boboku a ye fene Sekubek enso and to be anshebi West Ham United ehye kan miensa eye FCFB enso ehye kan bako na okupia sa matches no ebi eka no say ene City Villarreal transfer ebo kano enai ama se boboku a ye fene late eye Pozam no enso ehye kano miensa Nice transfer ehye bako FC Cologne and to be ante eye kano okupia sa matches no adamati say ene se City FC Nepro ehye kano bako ema AZ Takma enso ehye bako mode to be kan bako ema se boboku a ye feno ye Puzek enso ehye kan bako a we matches ahodo a ese etofem ewo Europa Conference League ni mu a ye de mu nsem nyina e de agyaw
afeyemla the 5 major leagues no senior weekend matches no ebeko yen sha see free Italian Serie A na matches no se nebeko Napoli boboko no ebetonsa the first Pezza Casio no de yantam so Inter Milan etonsa e da fe Torino no mo de bom afe Sampdoria etonsa e da fe Roseneris AC Milan no de yantam so Atlanta Bergamo etonsa e da Fred na ise Cremonese no mo de yantam so Bologna etonsa e da fe Fiorentina aka Viola na fe de bom Lecce etonsa e da fe Monza no mo de yantam so Sassuolo etonsa e da fe Udinese Calcio no mo de bom Bianco Celesti SS Lazio etonsa e da fe Hellas Verona na fe Juventus atonsa e da fe Team Fon Salentina na fe Nyame adom adwada no Empoli atonsa e da fe Jalwasi AS Roma boboko no
yemremo aso friendly Ghana no so say ana sebesia ko na atwere ye matches no ehye ende Lens transfer oni Toulouse at the Albany Nyame adom ade tena Paris Saint-Germain transfer oni Brest at the Albany Marseille bet transfer oni Lille Matrupo at the Albany ninina Nyankopon adom ade tena yana se matches no top fem na Sunday Strasbourg transfer oni Clermont at the Albany AS Ajax bet transfer oni Nice at the Albany eno kwasiada 1 PM no game no top fam Angels Trafi on the Montpellier at the El Bunny Laurent Trafi on the 90s at the El Bunny Toulouse Trafi on the Rams at the El Bunny NF Rennes Trafi and the Aussie at the El Bunny FC Monaco and so Trafi and the Lyon at the Albania Way French League matches at top man Nimusam no at the Ajao
EPL say and a matches no ebe corner is a mad day 7 no say and a tier Kenny Cottage no form Tonsa at the first Chelsea Bobo Kono and the papa friend Graham Potter or the first game at the match Chelsea Bobo Kono after Birmingham of Tonsa at the first Brighton Leicester City Tonsa at the first Aston Villa Liverpool Tonsa at the first Overhampton Wanderers after Southampton Tonsa at the first Brentford Manchester City Tonsa at the first Today is to do Tottenham Hotspur Nyame Adoma Sunday saying a games no beba Arsenal Tonsa at the first Toffees Everton after West Ham United Tonsa at the first Mark Price Newcastle na for Crystal Palace Tonsa at the first Manchester United na for Nyame Adoma Dwadano Leeds United Tonsa at the first Nottingham Forest na for almost etimi edi abum
yenani enko German Bundesliga man so say na some matches no atwawe ye Tottenham Werder Bremen Trafi on Augsburg at the Albany Nyame Adoma Dachna Bayern Munich Trafi on Bobo Kwa Stuttgart at the Albany Eintracht Frankfurt or Trafi on Wolfsburg and so Albany Hector Berlin Trafi on Bayern Leverkusen at the Albany Wolfenheim at Trafi on Mainz 05 at the Albany RB Leipzig Trafi on Borussia Dortmund at the Albany Schalke 04 Trafi on Bochum at the Albany Kwasiada say and some matches no Jaka Geno Tottenham FC Cologne at Trafi on Junior Berlin at the Albany Freiburg Trafi on Borussia Mönchengladbach and the Edinburgh way matches at Tottenham our Bundesliga ma me dimusem no e de agyaw
na stories kete no kofi me no ka say the bibiat ma confirm abrante for Graham Potter no na coach Ademotim fa no Brighton no they say no wa join Chelsea bobo kon 5 years abrante no akwasan na no abrante no sign contract we pe and papa fa Tom Ball e chene trance say mlante bi contract yewu e Chelsea enti ma on mlante no trance abrante fa no Mr. Ngolo Kante aka no 1 year na fe abrante no eko afi abrante fa Giorgio wono so aka no contract ba ko pe and afi Messi Mount ono so aka no contract ba ko pe eti Nyame Adoma papa ne ba pe oni abrante no be trance na fa ma wese mlante no enso betime extend no contract no e ma inform Chelsea boboko no na no game ba ko etimi koso e wo West Ham Stadium ho e ma West Ham enso etimi tonsa e de friend na West Ham wini e no e no mo te se na se apapa ye friend no wura mu na je se Queen Elizabeth ma me no enso etimi ada na no game no ba so no West Ham for supporters no etimi to anthem no e de mama me no ye ko tie no na je se West Ham for no e to anthem no not just a West Ham United anthem no amoto de ma mama fan Queen Elizabeth
ya paku ba kwa kapti we mama team fem for na fei ya nto asom fan sem no efe gu fam o de se kopimo e was Spanish La Liga na matches no ebi eba na se etife ba bia kwayire na akotwena ba enti eye Girona etrafe on Real Valladolid e di Albany eno match ne yende na se top fem na se eda tena ya kwa nim dia na se na Asia ko Espanyol etrafe on Sevilla e di Albany eye Cadiz etrafe on Barcelona enso e di Albany Atletico Madrid etrafe on Celta Vigo e di Albany Kwasiada Real Madrid etrafe on Rayo Vallecano enso e di Albany Elche etrafe on Atletico Bilbao e di Albany Getafe etrafe and Real Sociedad e di Albany na Real Betis etrafe and Villarreal e di Albany away matches ese top form enso o Spain in bottom medimusem e di agyaw
na Manchester United enra e wo Old Trafford Real Sociedad ene man koye na koye no anya se Manchester for no ye show me kaba ko motimi ate no e na fans no e ka che Grazer family se masa munya boboko ni to se kwaya mode Manchester United e fans no sa kwa no enye yenkotie Manchester United fans no omo ka che Grazer family no se munya boboko no ento Manchester United fans no e catch Grazer family se munya ibobo ko ni to na monko ni emponi fa kokoro emfama no
yesani abafie Jubilee Hospital saben conference se hondodo honfa wa kopiem Jubilee na omonfa wo emfa eye ayaresem kama na omonbora bia ensu koyi emfama yo doctor sakuku da matotowura tesemo bo eye nimdie enso awadwuma no yie pa se okwa omebo na bia akoyi ede amawo yesanso ewo laboratory se emfa woni dwumadi a okwa kodie se okwa kwahwe mogem se HIV malaria yare bia pese wonka se kwahwe mogem se bia bo mogem akwa doctor sakuku da mo ho omdo be fana bia enso akoyi ede ama your pharmacy bia na wakwatia yesi kopedro bito watia unya bito de woni na chemo ewo Jubilee Hospital eho ene ndodi nina ndo sopo no ewo okwa benya bia to na bia akoyi ede ama antenatal care minua no mba no awona bo enti apemfo mumfa wani enchemo ewo Jubilee na fe mu kwahwe mu diem sada mba wo akwara no na so siprisita ogina naso na bibia enso ekoyi ede ema no theater enso ewo ho operation bia peso okoyi bia sabi o se etwo kwa na peso okoyi a oda wani echemo Jubilee a otwo no ba ne kama na bibia enso akofine ede ama na kana senso se okwa eye insurance bia yaje se eye health insurance o se eye private health insurance o okwa ya ba jini ni na ya boda bia enso akoyi ede ama emfa won yare a ya sabesi usu no kopiem Jubilee na ya mbo ne nto ase enso emfema foni chemo ewo atimoda ababo kwantimpone so ha uduru amantra se bridge ne so be se eye Jubilee Hospital ewo onsabonkum so akama na akwakwagye ayalsa na bia enso akoye diama Jubilee agidin yepa ti udu odan ka se upe Jubilee Hospital akwara kura ba cheo woni doctor penini ni nkomo na fenchemo aka cheni na ono enchechemo enso emfa ema 0244575799 0244575799 0241784645 ofroma one bajo so no wadi wonkomo na bia koye ediama
ye chef fiesa sitia ye chase free Ghana reps in Africa for bia never say die until the bones are rotten kwakobo CAF Confederations Cup Kumasi Asante Kotoko kwakobo CAF Champions League na Kotoko enedi kan abo nyame adoma dwada eno na team no ebuna ketem di free Ghana eno omwura mu ewo Benin no mo kono wo the 3 cars eno Kotoko bus no ena fe 2 cars enso edi echile ena police escort enso lead team no ekopie mu ewo Benin no mo kopie mu Benin no 22 man squad ena papa efan Seydou Zabu oni Abdul Gazili edi koye na Kumasi Asante Kotoko no omukodru na ise Benin no na hotel no mo da no ye fan Revela Hotel eho na Kotoko da efe yepa enya semketwa na ohwe mlante no a omantimi anka trip no ho entimi akwa Thomas Pele wanu a wentimi akwa Eric Zeze onu so entimi akwa Steven Amankona abrante fan guest in Japan ena Rocky Jamina wanu so entimi akwa Frank Intura Bella wanu so entimi anka trip no ho entimi akwa 22 squad na mkoye no uhwe names a mu odupa Danlad eno otimi koye Christopher Nate entimi koye John Tedeku onu so entimi koye Sharif Mohammed Yusuf Mubarak Nicholas Osebonsu Richie Bodu Agadas captain Emmanuel Sakwade abrante ya uwe manager senya semketwa George Fege abonsu timi koye na ise no Asante Kotoko 22 man squad no we ne chese names akesia wamsu etimi koye Enoch Morrison Richmond Lamte wamnia etimi make trip no etimi koye no sports minister papa Efan Mustafa Yusuf enso timi presente $100,000 adima Kumasi Asante Kotoko say we na ban no say ode ma monye na mo fanya husiesie na mo fe kowuram e CAF Champions League nyame adoma dwada na Kotoko ni FC Kadiogo game no e ba so na nyame adoma Kotoko e be shake ups kakra na fe wo chanso omo training na fe Sunday no omo koyo mo final training na fe nyame adoma na Monday no Kumasi Asante Kotoko any FC Kadiogo ni ani sports minister no din komo any o minister say Kumasi Asante Kotoko any asofok nia no a qualify kwakobo Africa as a minister no e dem message and awudi jawom yentie nsema papa fa no Mustafa Yusuf sports minister enso ekaye
very, very happy. These are very teams among the teams nechi. Tisekot Asante Kotoko Okuma Pema Pemba. A team nipa be brave. Nkola brave be bien and tembiana amount for kahonsem. It is a only opportunity kwa. The only thing is Obo Champions League. Obo said not support business so high. But they say why? Because performance not perform. Ya kwa entiminko entimi prokra bagana. Because I check say entimin J Cup no in bagana. Unu mejuma aso folk boy entimi D trophy no the bar Ghana. Emma sa team no kura representing Ghana as a national team. And that tells you the caliber of teams that we have. But we are encouraging the young, the new clubs now so about so someone to boy no challenge say Premier League. There is no any a strong team again because the young teams are also doing well. And it's only man will be bringing a person who your league your Premier League so that there will be highly competitive league in Ghana.
Sema Sports Minister Papa Efenu Mustafa Yusuf Messenger Odija Ghana reps in Africa Kumasi Asante
dwumadie no enso enkoso no papa ye fen yelebodo gado maugbe wono efitogo wono ene kwakwaboa na afi wato ayiram no na bia enso akoso assistant line 1 Jonathan ahoto kofi wono nso kwakwaboa na afi bia akoye ono nso efitogo ena aroto agba ono nso efitogo wemu ene kwakwaboa afi komboa wemu na etogofo a some kojinamo na amato ayina na fedwumadie no enso akwaso edimu nsem no edi ajaw
Bet Power Ghana Premier League Ochenanya Yaminadma na Kofi Ensema Buboba sa Shanty Gold enkofo no enso atimi asiki injunction e de kwakoto so enti na fite na akosi anwumere no se BBC dia wanhwa Bet Power Premier League no Ochenanya mo enti na Shanty Gold for the injunction e beto league ni so se omukọ na court ejima no Doma Aduana Stars etonsa e de Free House of Folk no dia boom Dance Park no Bibia ni Gold Stars etonsa e de Free Dreams FC enyina se no Karura United ebetonsa e de Free Tamale City Accra Sports Stadium kwesiada no Lagos City Tosa and a family Diamond Sporting Club. No, they are time so.
Big match, big match. Because they will pretty much or more players which we can in your house. We know she can as management of Black Galaxy to the house players in the local blaster. And that's only a bench woman, so we are a Bobby. And the new kid on the blog, a few years money, and they have to the national team blasters sponsor. You will decide to move about now because the fan of any other match, you will laughing at the wrong side of your mouth. Or share the history of Adriana House. Half up no any to know them. The fish in the SA, you be the division has to be the division because the first match, what transfer, a buffer super at the place of the two teams. Don't you know, preparation of course.
We ensama se si ori ma Aduana Stars bobo kuna perfect tian ade atu enu ma dibu nsem no ade ajaw
na ye ko na fe the best boy no ma wura mo Cape Coast kodu Cape Coast pe ba ko hu o ma hen wo ho na fe nkomodidie ba ko awiase na Sunday o ne Accra Lions game no etimi abaso na je se ye ko nti kofifi ni obi mo Ray and the boy chidom as a producer Kwabra Jenim enso etimi kan ho ye mienu ne de nsem do brempo pokware na fe kofi agire nyame adoma wia sanhye ne fe nsem no bam yakra mo
Ghana adisiye Obuoba Ofori Amanfo emamo ache ediba AHENKAN933FM.
Who your anchor hold in the storms of life when the clouds unfold they are waves of strife when the strong tide lifts and the cables spring. Who your anchor dreams of firm
Ofori Amanfo Emamo Ati Ediba Ahenkan 93.3 FM.
When the strong tide lifts and the cables spin, will your anchor drift or firm remain?
We have an anchor that gives us fast into the rock which cannot move. The family in the Savior's
We have an
anchor that gives us fast and sure of the Milo's road.
fast into the road which
Ghana Adisiye Obuoba Ofori Amanfo Emamo Ati Ediba Ahenkan 93.3 FM.
will your anchor hold in the storms of life? When the clouds unfold their wings of pride, when the strong tide lifts and the cables spin, will your anchor drift or firm remain? Will your anchor hold in the storms of life? When the clouds unfold their wings of strife, when the strong tide lifts and the cables spin, will your anchor drift or firm remain?
We have an anchor that gives
Fast into the rock which cannot do.
from the family in the Savior's
We have
We have an anchor that keeps us steadfast and sure. A glorious happy birthday going out to you, Alice Ama Edubuache.
when the clouds
Oko sorry, our Christ Apostolic Church International
unfold
Family Worship Center. We achieve protocol.
drift or firm, will your anchor drift or firm remain?
We have an anchor, steadfast and sure. Fast into the rock we cannot move. Think of it. Will your anchor hold in the storms of life? Bibia wa sase we wiye, but ye bisa se asrochi sase se etu. Asase sase se ebobo se kete. Na osoro nso tie gu a. Ye bisa o. Ubenya gina bia na. Ubenya gina bre. Mama fa wo da chintin fa ma. Enwum we said ye me de no. E di akira ye. Enu tina no pe wo da chintin said ye munim na ye obra kwanti omu afutuo ni adesua ye nyina ye de ma ye ho ye ho.
Wo da chinti.
Thank you. And I know pay the nam you say stop trying to dodge the process. It is the only way to learn and grow. Stop trying to dodge the process. It is the only way to learn and grow. And I don't pay what that chinti the nam no. But of kasem ni the amount yan famra yan kasen die mu. Any probably they want always to jettison it. But I don't pay if you want to jettison the process, you can never ever the spermatozoa na or they are called the next level. Wakoshia the eggs of Obano na develop we are it will be in the form of a blood clot. Na na finally waba zygote and then becomes the fetus and blah 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 waba be yakoda na yawo no. I was so go through that process no. And then onyaya nanka school mu hono no. We twa so hwe ni nyina but say teacher ni kire ni kakra obesua ne de wompe. But I want to tell you this morning, and person me catch around no pain say jai say stairs no say the answer no ahwe abeti ahwe. I was so fro nin kakra na ade kra wo kan ye 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 ye ni 110 there be enti bra once ma o madam enchire o se ne ye tire bra wo ho ase ema wo madam enchel sene ye pamade no bra wo ho ase ema wo madam enchel sene ye makeups no bra wo ho ase fama o boss na onkyere wo adwuma no na ya wadwene se ebia wo wachen wo boss no wo so wachen no ye tenten gram nti wo mra wo ho ase mfa ma no na wo pese wo gi bum a ampa wo begi bum na sa wo begi bum wo ne pamuo no eno ne asem a ehu hia pa intano pekope eni na omo pese omo dodge process no ofiti ya na oye yie no ubehu saafo no yesi wakwaji sikaduro wakwaji we na no mihu video bi me yam hye mihu video ni me yam hye young boy guy onya boy a young guy ene wakwaji saka wayi bi sika na ba ene ye hye ho akwankyere bebrebe a omo ni say den ya huntimi ni nyina so ye benya ho ena obi nim ni esi ye otika mu luxury ena watim afei okono na honhom no eyi ni na afei abrante no wahyaase a opot se kraman onipa bawo opot se kraman ene mrante aba munya botre mate ene maba wa aba munya botre wate munya botre na mun go through the process munya botre na me peme ho anya ntentem no ene mihu yanka ene nam nya botre enya botre anka ye mtum free enkrametna ahaw ye ni abusuani bia wo ha but we decided say no on to be sorry prekope say boom my ehie I was so to be shas ye di free baby so mo ye ni nyina when you are talking to them oh my God say I started from somewhere so definitely you must start from somewhere stop trying to dodge the process woda chinti na waye ne sadia mame bra ho asema madam bra ho asema wo boss bra ho asema wo kunu bra ho asema wo yire ye nyina mfa somdwe mfa ntena me pa cho ye mfa ahweyi nsem no so nto aso na fe ye mfa de bon krata mo boso no so mfa ema ere ahweyi nsem we de nam doctor Kwesi Bani asedan koma o say never ever wear your ID card outside your workplace. No one needs to know where you work. So never ever wear your ID card outside your workplace. No one needs to know where you work. Now, when a tie called the Maya Juma, most especially corporate near that companies now we use ID cards, no. Quite an ID card ye to Jagum penny for swa. The my and I fear the decoration. Maybe the Asian bag mu. Me fan to me come na eno na omutu amfo no pay say me hye wa adwuma mu ha na me pon na me kofi a e wo se me yidi free me kom na me de hye me bag mu enwo se nipa nyina ehunu ba bia wo ye adwuma nya nipa nyina na omotiri mu asempa o enti emma nipa nyina ehunu ba bia wo ye adwuma na yenso ati radio so no nso definitely we behunu ba bia ye adwuma but enya nipa nyina na omuhunu ba bia wo ye adwuma ye enti anopa yi ahweyi nsem say never ever wear your ID card outside your workplace. No one needs to know where you work. Dr. Kwesi Bani in Sri Lanka. Say be the edit down mukumu. No de pay guess. Hey, share uni me. Me na me yeduma AHENKAN no. Enti yenya den. What the AHENKAN be jento for guess. Na COP Nathan Kofi Boache kan wante. Wo di post be jijiji nkrofo guess. O be ma o mani be bro so. What dey ase here. The passage. Did I keep that? Step as sure. Ain't yet the one crata mo so de be ma but na ye be call United Kingdom. Ye be call Telford na menimi nua Steven
when the clouds
akotwetwe en komo wo ho
they are
and then ekoso United Kingdom
when the strong
Telford nso then ekoso wo ho
tables spin.
oba hima Queen Elizabeth II we fura ne ntuma wo ne tintim mu
In the storm
ti then ekoso wo ho no mo
when the
ye beto ato ahoma no na yakọ United Kingdom sesia
tide lifts and the cables ring. Who your uncle dreams of firm remain.
We have an uncle that gives us love. Steadfast and sure. Fasted to the rock, which cannot move. Crown of family in the Savior.
We have an
We have an uncle that gives us love. Steadfast and sure. Fasted to the rock, which cannot move. Crown of family in the Savior's love. We are crowned and we are found in the Savior's love. I am grown and I am found in the Savior's love. Crowned and family in the Savior's love. God is grown and firm and deep in the Savior's love. Crowned and family in the Savior's love. I believe I am firm in the Savior's love. In the
Who your uncle hold in the storms of life. When the clouds unfold, they are wings of strife. When the strong tide lifts and the cables spin. Who your uncle dreams of firm remain. Who your uncle hold in the storms of life. When the clouds unfold, they are wings of strife. When the strong tide lifts and the cables spin. Who your uncle dreams of firm remain.
We have an uncle that gives us love. Steadfast and sure. Fasted to the rock, which cannot move. Crown of family in the Savior's
We
love.
have an
We have an uncle that gives us love.
oh yeah,
Steadfast and sure. The billows roll.
oh fasting to the road
Which cannot move. Crown of family in the Savior's love.
Who your uncle hold in the storms of life. When the clouds unfold, they are wings of strife. When the strong tide lifts and the cables spin. Who your uncle dreams of firm remain. Who your uncle hold in the storms of life. When the clouds unfold, they are wings of strife. When the strong tide lifts and the cables spin. Who your uncle dreams of firm remain.
We have an uncle that gives us love. Steadfast and sure. Fasted to the rock, which cannot move. Crown of family in the Savior's
We have an
We have an uncle that gives us love. Steadfast and sure.
fasting to the rock
Which
okay yanko yanko for the one krata mo boso no mfa ema na fe yanko yen enim kwaku apum ko de
Woko bo nso e.
nyame adom me so me ho ye pa
I am grown and I am firm in the Savior's love. Crown of family in the Savior's love. God is grown and firm and deep in the Savior's love. Crown of family in the Savior's love. I believe I am firm in the Savior's love. In the
storms of life. Okay. La 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 la.
And the cables spin.
La la la. We have an anchor that Jesus step as a shore, fasting to the rock. Ain't he said, "Kaka chira oni ya say ya be ko na o ma twitwa mfoni ni bi a kire yen tie nyina ne na na wu hwe that's ye je yen ya ma lending for nko aye yen saga ye be ye bi wa ha papa na ono akua lizi na anka se obedu ni hu so wu ye Ghana ha be ya ntie kwa se contribution bi a sha se ekoso a ye gigigigi entoma nso apia bonten entoma na ya horo mienu ni edidi na wotwe da ene ne ya edibedi 40 days no ni nyina pie ebi mo so hwehwe maami ode se maami ode enhwe na onfa ne busua no ohu maami ode won krofo bi onu musu omo na yie ni se ya omo dio se nya omo dio mutimi gita o mani ase be bobna su akeka nsem eti maami akua lizi o onu obenu ne ho so wu ye be ye na yie dia hye nyame dia ne onyam o yen Ghana ha na ade ba ko Ghana fo bi nso kire wo madwene afa ho no se yesre mpanimfo economy no ye de ahye Ukraine Russia Ukraine aye yie ye tibi de ahye COVID aye yie yesre wo no ma meka se ena maami lizi nso wo ni nti economy na sei
yesre papa
yesre wo
mo fanfa ho
yesre wo nti ndro se ye te se maami lizi yare ne nyina ebo mpa se awurade o maami firi mu pe yewu ye beka se maami lizi firi mu no ama se sei dokono kura nso so kura mpukura aboa ye den yesre enti
maami ni wo na ni ya ni asem bia yesre
maami lizi wo ni ni asem bia eni ni asem na ade ba kom ye me fendra na me ka se wodi mi se maami ni wo ye within 4 to 5 hours en ye nya odiadeni
yeah
edi ni si akonwa no so aya nte se ye twema nso ya nte se asundwe din enso so ye dia ye tete ho yi edi ya de ha yen
ohiani a o sa twema nso
ehu
omo eskafo mpo no omo twema nso ne yen
na hwe maame no owu ye borofo mo de ba abonten simple
English page ahempo ketekete bi
omo borofo na omo na borofo omo de awo borofo ye kan obi ye kan twete
ayi na enka
simple ohini no eno ane se ohima no awie ya wanya ni nyame frɛ namso ama ohini foforo ene ohima foforo ye yi wo mo no omo ewo ohima ho ewo Bamora nyankopon ya adom omo beda ha ochena omo beba landing tiawa odi amongongo ye nkrofo bedro
tintin yewia nipa miensa omo sa hase
on behalf of my beautiful
beautiful
on behalf of my beautiful we want to express our deepest condolences to the sudden bereavement.
Simple paragraph
we two stanzas we
before
but ye be ha o
ni asama mbaje Queen love you
mpacho ye be ye ni bi wa
mama mbaje funu love bia na maame ne siku owo no
Floyd
ye chemu half
akoye omkunu ni George Floyd was one so we ye na ye ni bi wa ha no mo omo ye kwadwu Floyd ye
da bi omo nko ho empanifo ne nko ho ne ase ahemfu beko bi
ahemfu beko
na mo de ye 2 3
ela mi za wo kuro mu hine beko bi ana
mi de mi kuro mu hine
okay enti ye bisa say ye friend hemfu wo kuro mu hine otumi ko bi
otumi ko bi abnase ne atuntum re mo nyina asem bia ni
o so ma ye de
kuro manso ho a wo be fo trotro na ye so no ahemfu ne etum na mbe fo trotro
two krado muntumi omunko bi ye betwa obudim because two pa David
me na nati ase no na otunyi you say enenso ne exactly 7 years I mean na wu ye enne pepepepe ne 7 years
wow
me na fi mu na otiase na otunyum bi o se Sedoni bomua.
Ahoboa ben na
waye.
Akonta ben na ubegu.
Ahoboa ben na waye. Anyuma no oto no. Enti ene edoni bom. Edoni insuamu na ho. Oh, mahata nyoma wo.
Insuamu na kwesi nyoma watu.
Oh, insuamu ni nyabotre. Na ye bisa se edon no abom. Na ehimfu nyina ye hwese wo mekọ yiye no. Wo hene bekọ bia.
Da biotimi. Bebre me da me betimi akobi.
Oh, okay.
Ba me nim kwofo ahemfo.
O hene tumi kọ MP anim kọ se na de ma ne ye ma no. Na say you or your hen or manfo ginu tum.
Ene na you ya ginu tum saa. Na wo hene ntumi nkọ a.
Kwani mo ntumi nkọ na hwan ni ma.
Oh hene aya albatros. Wa ya albatros abesen mu ko. Wa ya kosi ankosi.
Bi emienu yensa.
O hiri ayi kosi egosi. Koda. Aja bosu ko ba.
Onu oswa.
O hiri ayi aja bosu ko ba.
Ewradi.
Mami awawi. Enfie pepepe beba ombebo ni din. Na so wo betena atwuma so 23 years asa wo wasema.
23.
Ebi mo.
Yes no kwa na etwa me nsuru mu no. 23 years.
Ya wo sa time no when you kram aya adwuma o.
Wa sha se ebo bra o.
Wa sha 23 days wa sha se ebo bra.
23 good years.
Na we
ayen hwetama yayi abrofo ma meyemfa democracy ni den ma yi na nya info na chichiri kru eyem puntuduma
se eye
tinka sa 23 years tinka info no so segment on be bo aban nka kem emmoama odantumpon
political administration na omusua di fin hemfo ne ho
yes
yes your president kane no ohene no ono ye in charge of security.
Yes.
I didn't see ye president ni say ono na ye commander in chief of the Ghana Armed Forces.
Yes.
So that's it. E dey san won abambofo kane tete no so na ihemfo no so abambofo ye wo omo ane e frɛ wo mo ayi
abrafo na
atwitwantirefo no omo na no omo bo ohene ho ban. So that's it. Ene sa omo so bo president mo ban ye military ne sa ne man enti omo hwe ne na nhemfo ne ye ne so e no omo de ye nyesa na nhemfo ne ye bibi papa.
Yes.
Na fia de na fade
akoda ne manso
ye botem hand de nya
tumi twimanso ama ayi ebu akwa traditional area man hini tumi kasa mo hami egumani mase munyai oh
say na ya na yi afia so tan kan say eya wo dia
na beje etina so ne ahwe
say how how so why frustrated and ya won konko ye you are there enti ya twam na tinka ma mi pa be pie kuro bi so a anka ni fun ye di junction ato so
hwan
na 1961 wo ye Ghana man good ye man good ode ko
na mami we mami we pra
satan no
1961
oba Ghana Kwame Nkrumah
satan na Elizabeth no young
yes good da wo ma pedi agu ho no omukro mu so no omuntu god wo ni yes god egu ho no 100 years kra no omuni
ya biblem
mami yes okwen pa penio ensase bebre enti yes okọ Canada nyina ho nyina Canada
unim se ne ba ne baaye no obibisa se na obi fi Ghana ekọ UK aya omoje no ayi ana is it visa yes
yeah
obisa so omoje no visa na okay unya be connect ma me na yenko aburuchire ho sisi ya yenko di nkomo ho no mo enti yehwe se ye be call Telford na yakwa akotwetwe nkomo ho no mo
enum na enya taifa Ampao.
We are Telford.
The root word no.
Okay, waba homa say we won. All right. Senior Barry. Hello. Oh no.
Hello,
yeah, Barry, Bibi Aboko there.
Bibi Aboko. Also on all radio soon.
Yeah. yes. Na wadaroma saying na London UK and in important more hima kuru metie
Like it's just so sad for us that we lost our friend yesterday.
All right, so time ben and Ramomo say with film because yeah wa ha no mo anwumre no.
I think of Femo area anymore, but they have to let the family know before they could announce it. And they won't announce it. And you were noticed 6, 7 there. But I think my reading my news yesterday and of Femo 12 more then because I saw something in the afternoon like we should pray for the Queen. So I think that time was Femo, but the news was not out.
Now they wanted to prepare the minds of a year or no.
Yeah.
Okay, I see. Yeah. Mo sorry anope no saying a mood no etie e wo hono mo.
It's just there's not a lot of people around because a lot of people have gone to work and inside London yesterday there was a lot of people at the palace. In front of the palace gate. A lot of people went to the palace gate. That's what I see.
Unlike Ghana had one can ne, I think a baby I din na ye bobo ye no. A hono de enhye dan tesa obi e kona adwuma.
And it's be a kona adwuma.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
I see. A bad say no. Family na e wo omo free Buckingham Palace hono. Omo reaction saying it here.
They've not really showed the prince and anything out. It's just the people that went to the palace, but just Prince Charles came to announce, and Prince Harry came to announce that the mom is there. That's the only thing that we found out. I think there's more news going to come out today.
Oh, I see.
About any updates.
I see. And yes, I say Rainbow etoye ewo Buckingham Palace. Esro honomo. I don't know whether you've heard it yourself as well.
No. When I heard the news, I was just busy at that time, so I couldn't concentrate on the news because I was doing something else. So I've not really. It's just today I'll be in school and I'll get more news because when I get to school, that's where I'm going to get more news.
All right. And for now, said the new King Charles III, Onyama me issue any communication via aside and radiana etiti and on.
Baby. But there's going to be more news from BBC today. I think, yeah, an update on what's going on.
Kwaku peso bi se bibia.
Ana bisa senti anope nkofo ahye ntade tuntuma kwacha abusua no se de Ghana obi firima ade cha no pobe kono mo twankonya na ebi su na ebi bechia de kobae o maye ne sa.
Barry.
Sam.
Yeah, I don't know whether you heard him.
No.
Oh, okay. Now obisa say oba yen Ghana ha no mo a. Normally no so obi free musa you see people being clad in blacks, visiting family, paying homage to yet the bereaved and in a family. A bibi say koso e honomo.
It's nothing like that will happen, but I think they will put a flower in front of the palace gate to show their respect to the queen. That's what they'll do.
Just a flower.
Just a flower, yeah.
Okay. Inti sings our honomo no yebebana as when any news ebe poppy up no what share with us.
Okay, Sam.
Okay.
I'm always at service.
Super. Inti not to say yemia or no ewo United Kingdom or hima krum or no baby or 1 year Telford. Hey, na na bibi fo ekura yenso kosia. Se ne ye.
Ya ne asoso funso. Ya chinchiribu. Ya broni always kase.
Also they will just put a flower at the entrance of the palace.
Obi akona dwuma.
Obi akona wa hye tuntum no achi.
Ghana,
ba
Ghana, abakoma hini wukura.
Abakoma hini
abakoma.
The kind say tio, the kind say want why. Yeah, can't queen as some of the A.
There be no some I'm say Ghana about my hinu kura wu a.
One had the so. Yeah, can't queen as some of the ice and one the
Yes, Rob.
Or say, the people will just like, oh, for more.
Yes.
You just go drop a flower at the entrance and then you go your way.
No, ko adwuma. Wo okọ
Why net here? Net no kwa de dada. Why just body no lifeless. She ni mu biem. Yes.
Gracious God.
Ebe ho no agede.
Ageden. Na de no so e de ebesi. Ti ade na sia ya. So obi wa Ghana asa asema ya ntibi da ase hu bi da. Na ya ye no hu.
Kene ke kuro ma
ya abakuma hinu kura wu o Ghana.
Why de hu kwa chire?
Sa. Na why?
Aye we pia. Aye we pia.
Oma yo motina na nanim na naga. Na na kasa ya di ka to.
Aye we pia. Ankasa abre enwum omoto
mi do ya
ma me we ibesu abre we sunne ibesu abre we sunne
na nka ma sisi so
oba ho page de aputo na no sunem
waje wani so
we na aputo na no sunem na wo sam na de bebo no
onim se
nyi paketo na da fom no enso hwe wo mache wawu e de obewu obi akọ na adwuma Odi ane se utwam ho ana wo de flower bia. System ni ye adwuma. System ni
ye adwuma.
Do omo de se obuo no man but omo ni so bia ye pe wawu fine. Ye de se
anya fe ni.
Eno ye wu ye se ayi ni pa edi ni besi biem.
Ena be ka se
enso achim dan 1999 besi ne
1999.
Oh, there be video no de minimum mu de.
Ana say wo no.
23
abakwasema de no ya be kan bi.
Am de me nhye da nya we sa.
23 years.
Da no kura yi kan. Obrimpons.
De ombo no nana. Nana no pe baby obi a cha.
Am de me nhye da nimu sa de.
Ono kwa amasa history no. 23.
Oh, I see.
Wa so na dwebo.
Hey, but anyway,
over queen into so ka.
Yankopon fa queen cry.
Odi ahenkan nana. En wo kwe.
Nti say osi Yankopon adom a ogi leave wo na dwuma mu 1 week. Na omakwa kodi ne 1 week no.
Na omu wedi 1 week bi bodi.
Na wasan ba.
Mutu ya na mudi 1 week.
Ombedi.
So simple.
But odi me say omo no within 10 days. I was say omo eye no mu sie no.
Hwefom flowers pet na okọ
kenesu
ni ahye yie
no ahye tuntum
we radi Yankopon
de okọ adwuma be san
me pato me de me tuntum na ma hye nne no me de me na na ewu enye Queen Elizabeth ntini me ma hye tuntum me de me na na ewu misrem
se nka even se onompo ntini wa hye ankenye bad because sha wa hye enzu kwan obibia ho do o kai no enso ye adwuma fine but ye de ne be de be sie kwan ye ntumi nya adwuma ene na eye eja no
obi be buruwa
akoyawu
state barrier
obe ye fine
na oba ye hanso so ayenso ye wayi Ghana nso wayi baba spirit enra ye ne nadamfo pa Emmanuel Kwame Apia aye friend kwa Apia enra ye ne kasa ye mo no e confirm ma yen say ampa se ni nwia baba spirit enra awia donko pepepepepe ena o se ofi mu na asate enra na no ne kasa na o de namu no ekọ nsanwam mortuary nti o so o de akoto nsanwam mortuary a confirm ya sampa baba spirit enso aye nyame dia na o se for 2 years now na baba ho mfa no ase ne ho tonu ana ne ho tonu ana waba ne ho tonu ana waba ene se endra o se endra o frɛ no ka kye ne se obi ani fie na empa woda so no wa firi empa ne so atof mama ne ti ahwe ho ena okokɔ fa no a o de ne ko hospital a ase anyi yi
so no interviews bi o ya fi there pop up say he was facing some challenges spiritually ne sa no
ba unsa ne tie say omo ya omo ma yesere no omo ma yesere no omo nso ubre o What am already funny face in Sukom. Funny face in your comb. Nyame amamu anko betimi akune ho. Enya easy. And I won't say enya dwuma yi. De bia na wote air na nkrofo kai wo. O de say one ma air 1 week ya. Unyo obi kura mfrɛ wo. Unyo obi kura mi se wase. Ji say obi a o pe wasema na oben wo pa na obefro say oh mente won kana bibi ni ana. Adwe o. Yete won kan ye kai wo.
Oh yeah.
O pon free air no ano no. Obi an kai obi mu. Erade nhunu ye mobo.
Pa ohunu ye mobo. Enipa so nsa hwe.
Edin papa.
Sisia onam ha krom na.
Onipa nsa hwe kura. Onipa anye bribia. Onipa fokin, onipa nsa hwe kura. Penene penene.
Tuanya botrati.
Say we see tie no.
I don't me.
I will say it. Now, 13th will see that being
13th,
and then 9th.
And 9th, yeah.
13th better being 13th be Saturday. Oh, sir.
Saturday.
Saturday.
Saturday we at 10th.
Saturday, yeah. Oh,
Saturday we at 10th.
Saturday we at 10th.
13th for Tuesday.
I will say it's a C working day.
I don't know there.
13th for so now 1 year paper. Achimo
Hey, oh yes. Ti Oda Central Market, happy birthday in advance.
Happy birthday in advance.
In advance, yes.
Happy birthday.
Nice.
Tuesday pepe. Yes, Monday.
Yanka ebusia for yaw.
Oh, okay.
Ma me call ahoma no sisi ya mra na fe yento aso ye ne honorable ana honorable Abednego Azuma Bandem MP Bumpurugu ya ne kwatwetwe nkomo. Honorable, what's your kind of pay? AHENKAN933FM Sunni Maakye.
Good morning, my brother, and good morning to your cherished listeners.
Okay, I believe everything is fine.
Yeah, by the grace of God, we are doing well.
Okay, we've heard you raise issue about NCA's punitive action being meted out at SIM card users. How sure is this, and what actually did you want to put out?
Exactly. The NCA, under the policy directive of the Ministry of Communications, rolled out the re-registration of SIM cards in the country. And starting re-registration, we realized it's different from time I started SIM card registration in 2012, because in 2012, NCA at the LI Eco Parliament, Emma Parliament, I then upper C law we are friend LI 2006. That's LI 2006. Into Omopasi NCA called a stakeholder meeting of all stakeholders, including the operators and the Information Service Department, to plan on how to disseminate information to the general public. At that time, we were NCA. What you say? We were able to go around the country and met with all stakeholders. We organized debates with the chiefs. We met the church congregations. We visited the mosques. And we spoke to people. We went to the market centers and spoke to people, educating them the registration procedures. What you say? When you know, yesterday SIM card registration. Now, Obia in Ghana, and in na obey the responsibility here. What you say? So until this time round, yesterday SIM card registration, registration. Who say the minister is dictating to NCA to re-register, and he left the LI on SIM card registration and went to rely on a different law which established the NIA, saying the NIA should be the only registration requirement.
And I say that the NIA law says that the card shall be the principal document, but it didn't say that it shall be the exclusive document to be used in registration. So therefore, it is illegal for the Ministry of Communication under the leadership of Oslo Owusu to exclude other national cards such as the voter ID card, the driver's license, the national passport, and rely solely on the Ghana card. Now, almost starting registration and NIA say they are accused at the various NIA registration centers because they had limited registration centers and people were fumbling there to get their cards, which is the prerequisite requirement for the registration of SIM cards. So, when we went to NIA, we invited NIA to Parliament to come and tell us the number of people are registered. Nipa dodo ahina mutumi register yes. And NIA akacha say only about 15 million Ghanaians are now umwatimi aiden are register issue cards amount. So if only 15 million and a Ghana population here 38 million, then it means more than half of Ghanaians nisa NIA card no. That's what I say.
Okay.
Nisa card no. And a card no sooner use here at the year SIM card registration. So need more than half of Ghanaians any card now. I register SIM card. On top of that, no, now also also directly NCA to penalize Ghanaians are card or register SIM card no. They should punish them by blocking their SIM card so that you cannot use your SIM card to make a call or to receive a call. And I hear who say, implementing some measure.
Okay.
Now, what we have come to realize, we say, a billion register SIM cards. Now, so MTN, Vodafone, Airtel to go, a blocking the SIM card, to make use SIM cards. So, Elsla Owusu is wrong, and I think that he must withdraw the punitive measure now or implement it.
And that is why more qualify say a draconian punitive measures. Don't you also think say a bad say ya a bebwama they will whip the people in line yen idea who be this exercise mu na yen yen aniswade hu see pese nya the robust system again and conform yes scammers ya almost scammers coming conform e betimi yi omu nyina free system ni mu no ebeboa yen
and anka beboa yen pa yen nyina pesa ebetimi ayesa but see anu yesi want to boat because over 15 million Ghanaians in this card now almost fan register SIM card na nipa no oni Ghana card what you say here now the be den I register nipa no ni Ghana card no but voter ID card and ka bet me using the voter ID card and I say the Ghana passport and I say the driving license now I register what you say but who see there be yes when you see Ghana card or call Ghana card office one year card no ebinim wo ha omo register Ghana card no since last year and I say 2018 bepi mene omo sanka omo Ghana card here and a san nipa no na usa punish anka 30 million Ghanaians no and at least even 29 million Ghanaians I register omukura Ghana card no na uyesa adie we a ye beti ase amao because say nipa wo card no but omu pese omu be register omu SIM card enu die obetimi ayeden e di sa measures we aba but omu ni card no
okay
here now omu fa enko register
all right inti mama mi saafo no ususu say kwan be na ebefa so we will be able to identify them say yes these people are having genuine reasons why omo enya en register kwan be na ebefa so ebe identify omo na say ebe distinguish omo from the others.
Okay, Sisiano, yenim say half of Ghanaians ewo Ghana card because sana NIA akachre say half about 15 million Ghanaians I register. Omo issue omo Ghana card ama omo. Yenim sa. But yenim say half of Ghanaians also over 15 million any sa card no so. What you say? So that is what we know for now. Secondly, NIA and to me and country say Abia Akotia Mono and I say Eastern region. Nipa dodo say now Umar register Ghana card. They cannot distill that information for us. So what you say? So we don't know. In my constituency in the Bunkuru and Konduri district, I don't know. I have over 41,000 voters. I can not tell the number of people who have registered. I cannot. So So it would be very, very difficult for us to say, these are the people who have registered and these are the people who have not registered, and therefore we should block their SIM cards.
Yes, inti unyi ni so say sa actions ya omateki ebe boy enkra me yetimi ayesa separation no. Again, I don't know say what say enkrofo bi say omo de stubborn academy eno what.
Okay.
Honorable Abednego.
Yes.
Na me bisa say what is stubborn academy for no so nkan what omo nkan.
Oh, there's
Stubborn academy ayi Onimonyamfo Sam George, one person colleague. On also can who be. I'm the almost someone register on the same cars and then I'm register in China. What to almost on can?
Sam George, my senior colleague, and we all serve on the same communications committee in Parliament. Or no, I can say, NIA about Parliament say, or mobile register parliamentarians. And also I can say, Debbie. You can't give me that preferential treatment because I am a member of Parliament. First of all, go to Ningo Pram Pram in my constituency and get my local people there to register first because they are the most important people. They have voted me into Parliament. And they go and queue and they don't get. Some of them have registered in 2018 and they don't have their card. Please print their cards for them. And then I will be willing to also go and register. I think it's a fair stand that my senior colleague Sam George has taken. And I believe that it should be the case that the less privileged, those who are Ukwasinu, they should be given that opportunity. They need the card as well. So I believe in the position that Sam George has taken.
Okay. And for now, your rolling actions not out. Enkrofo bebre are for victim. Ama omo for victim no so bebre na ye follow up. Oji ni se be boa yen ama nia ye pese ya achieve no in a fast track way yen saka.
Card no.
Exactly.
Card na.
Eyi meka telcos registration na ekoso no.
Na obisa se.
Na mi bisa se sisi ya no. Se me ye call ne nkwa quickly ni makwa ko follow up. Say me Ghana card and I was a me koko ye e de koko register atwema adwan sisu say adwuma bi wo ho no was a me ye moye my system ye nyane ntentem.
No. You see, the fundamental problem is say Nkrofo any Ghana card. That is the fundamental problem. Until we are able to register about 85-90% of the Ghanaian population now, we can come out with such draconian measures. It will be unfair on Ghanaians. What you say? See, I know almost 30 and rough. Me catch you say, Omo Ghana card, Omo fa Ghana card, no, I can register SIM cards, no. Omo block omo. So it means empty and new Vodafone. Omo to me and differentiate you. Opia want register and Opia want register.
I see.
Yes, and it's so unfair. So we are saying that. Almost stopping sad measures no punishment na omo adiabano obi anyahwe obi eye bone na oye den o punish you but nipa na anye bone aden na o punish you.
Okay, enti once o sit on the communications parliamentary select committee on communication na was raise issue about punitive actions or mateki no madwen ho say mo be frɛ sector minister na mo bisa ne nsɛm ana mo bɛtwena dwen si so na watwe saa decision na sensan
me dase sector minister madam Oslo Owusu to see that they are being kind of because on for their own words on who will be
oh Debbie
look, the communication committee on in parliament is a major stakeholder. Now, we are minister. Now, we a committee on parliament. And you, up to now, who started SIM card re-registration, up to now, you have not found it necessary to meet with them to discuss the modalities leading to the registration exercise. That is why I'm saying, she's exhibiting tendencies of arrogance.
No, but saying you know say me ba we you know say honorable mami sama se bi madam wadaroma ye nim say committees no mo powers ebi de ye equal to high court settings no se ne tie say mo friend na oma you can subpoena her. Why sit aloof?
That is true. No, we are not saying aloof. Ube Kaya this year the parliament now committees were supposed to consider the budget estimates of every sector ministry. On no budget statements, me and Lamika said there be say one fa nyamabi report be every NCO or ever parliamenter. Yen Tinasi approve the budget and money. What you say? So now, come to know what's our powers. But you're trying, character amano. I invite you, Wamba. You better start trouble. Now, Wamba, you better who send a bia next year or the budget beba or the budget bar. You send because anka by this time, no, the minister should have sat with the committee and listened to us as a major stakeholder. I can tell you that the minister and the NCA have not also engaged the NIA, who is producing the cards. The card that you are relying upon to register in Crawford, they are producing it, and you have not bothered to sit with them in a round table to discuss it. Intina NIA bar parliament, say they are not working at the behest of any government institution. We are independent institutions. They are not under Oswawusu and other Ministry of Communication. They are under the Ministry of Interior. But I may say, Oswawusu, what to me, any Minister of Interior, Atinase Abonko, more effort we should announce. I'm not sure. Because Omubayeno, NIA can say, they have funding issues. They need money. And government has to provide them money to be able to acquire equipment and to employ more staffers so that they can open more registration centers. Then a better fast track at the end. But government and found more and more.
Honorable Sanet na more committee no you've not been fair to Ghanaians because you have the power to act in our stead.
No, I think it will be unfair to also say that on the committee. We just have a minister who is not cooperating. What you say? But this thing takes time. So I think catch on our processes. Or where to get there. We'll get there.
Okay.
So we are working towards it.
All right. Honorable ma yen na sibi ni ebesa baby man opay ye da se papa. All right. Yene Honorable Abednego Azuma Bandim MP Bumpurugu first na yoyo ka ho ene nankpanduri ne sa anoma no nyina ka ho ba sei eye Bumpurugu constituency.
Gudu.
Momi yankwai na eja yemfa de bon kata ne to so metifo ne pie. Ada de papa de na say on.
Foforo no de aba na ne.
Na say ba.
Dai.
Woni na say.
Da bi o.
Ah opite gompia.
Oh yo.
De fraba.
Na say.
Nime ka boliwa na kati na sa Yesu.
I don't want to.
Nyapochi moja.
Na na say to onu nkotu bia wo say abenkwa na wo hwe ni say krakrai.
There be say. Oh yeah, storyteller.
Omro me anwi ho.
Oh yeah, storyteller.
Oh so an instrumental so you good o.
O me anwi ho pa.
What's for your kwanfo no?
Yeah, bra pa.
E ba ko to you want ya. Aki gabo.
Aki atahasa hari aki reka po. Ampo. I don't know
Koya.
Anapa no otwabo community aduonu nsia 827 na de shimama. Ya mama chima kwa basrongo kura biem de ba ahenkan 93.3 FM so ne nsem ba kuma ndu abrubru so nti de obokrata no twekwa akira akra. Na so na poso awdo bia beka yensa ana yede sumu the Herald de obokrata na me de hyase enne anope na Herald de aba ya o chese IMF for boss kani mampene wura John Dramani Mahama na kasafa Ghana sika yekope e de free IMF wonche o se IMF for boss no ye propaganda e ma Ghana ye sikasem e na afi management team no o se o ye propaganda ma wo mo na waka wonsem e wanum si ya ye di mfoni awdro abata ho wo mu chema wiasa fana ni na akandifo na charge adwo e ma Queen Elizabeth otoso mienu UK hima ehun semni mfoni the Herald the Bokrata yi ediaba okuze to Blackwa eni owura Eugene Ahen ono na ye communication director omampani na nadodan kwakufuado atena ye empenfo mienu ye say wo mu yi nsema no efa private jet ho we nanado ana presidential jet ya wo mdi tukwan no okuze to Blackwa ka no so aka akoye kamamenka sana akwakoye wo mu ntema the Herald abumama ni akire nne anopai
Any I did find that the Obokrata no ana eto so ediama na oniwonya fo kwadwo opon kroma mrasebe dwani adema adesha wonom ewo achemansa ofo ase ye bi constituency wada ha sei na asemu a wo kanyina ne sehwe na nadodan kwa kufa da nanu adanto abo ko ye any project ahudro bia no na wo se ema Ghana fo sha ase sere e wo se yesere papa isansa na nado obo adwuma na abusuansi say any ejai his excellence na nado dankwa kufuado ene amamu panifuo bi wo mu nyina da ede ya konsem ede ama UK fuo esane say wo mu hima Queen Elizabeth otosumienu oh ma me no watwa ne bofo ho enu nti ene na nado dankwa kufuado nsem o tworo nya asem ketua te say yesi ya flag ne kura no yade yantwe nkosru biem yade ba emfinfin kakra na yade ahyema me no animonyam kratai ede honsem aba na his excellency Ghana mampani abedi eche Dr. Alhaji Mahamudu Bamianso yase wakwa commission kwan ahodro bi ene anya asem ketwaja asekan ene kwantimpo bi ya bia no na de demu ha se no enye asam ketwa kratai atwa ho mfoni aba na enye asam ketwa 56.4 kilometer road NSSA ya commission etino ehonsam aba ya the find that the Obokrata na kwhwehwe abomu enchiremu
dem dey trust you the informer the Obokrata na wo mu chese ashawa na asem no bana ka chene ba ne se ashawa na asem no ko mu woye ni na baby o se de asem no efa ana ye de to no ye mfanto ase ko fi todi a Ghana pinfo mo amasema the informer samba manye HSA National Identification Authority NIA for HSA Ghana card won sensem no wo mgusu tuton niama na ntwahwe do bia ebe ba ho ni na no wo mbehwe ama bibia atodin ehun sem krate yi ediaba kane mampani owura John Dramani Mahama yese wakoya amane ama aban US aban eno no amane odekwa ni ye abato commissioner wo man mu mami Jane Mensa no ho asem ena odekoi ya o chese okun ama IMF boss no efa asema wakoka edi afa isika ye kwakopere eni nsembi wakafa o man kronkron Ghana ho we niti na poso headline no the informer ene di we ba na no pay
eni ama yento so na yemfa da Obokrata no mo boso no emfa ma we Mede the daily analyst the Obokrata no ena mede to aso se wono wode nsam na ban hwehwu animu bianka ono minimwe asoma sibi ni no de without fear or favor na ntwini mienu bi gwa ya burum gungungungungungungungu muntie na Sam George say Esla Akufu Mame Esla Akufu ono ena eya oswafo wo hwe Ghana egitawudie nsam so one ede tansem nyina danso eda na bem esinisi na abusuan asemu Sam George eka nyina ne say no ube piem ewa Ghana hase atako sahodro wo mo tempentem kwa ewa Mame Esla Akufu ase papa esa se tako so meche MTN ti go Vodafone wo mo keke ka ho no se bibi kura no mpeso mo ya mami wampre won baku sei eno na nam so akrata yi enso echirechire mu saa ye no ho so sam eda ha sei na abusia John Dramani Mahama Ghana mampani dada woni IMF fu anya papa yeso wo makrahye ewa hanom ani jai enye asam keto akura wonum ani afechirom ho papa se die benti ena ye gane sei se ayufo na ma yesiko se die ben yo no peso wo chiro John Dramani Mahama ene wonum anya ewo krata mu a eye ehosam da ye se IMF boss no en wone no ede feel so na Queen Elizabeth otosum yenu wowu ye no yeso onyamfie no ade okrunsia enti ade age no en wonum abo ede ato ha na asia no mu anso enkwafo bi kika sai electoral commission wonyaya wasabe ya ekane se register foforo en wose me ami amala electoral commission hoboy asemu to also cheme enya no kreda se wo mo eba be ye voters registration foforo ye no so honsem wode ato anum wa kirechem se wono de nyame se ka no kre wonka ho hwe nti osra enkofo ahodra wonum ekeka se wo ba be ye voters register foforo no enye no kre na abusua asha ho ankofo yi yase ya chima kumaku enum Chinese fo num ni achi wo mo excavator bi ayira enti yakodroa wo mo a ye enkrate so edimu nchemu aba daily analyst anapay
Republic Press the Obokrata mu nsam nam de to aso men sabenkum esutokrom left top corner ana wom de aba say enipa makomako oha ene aduosian wotwe 168 enam kwa so mu bewu wo Ghana nipa makomako 168 enam kwa so mu bewu wo Ghana ogan obi ana obi se debi enie 168 Ghanaian death rule Republic Press asmo de ba no eyetew opeso hu die nti okasa na dia kofa wi aba kotokra tebia no pay Republic Press ukodwaso anu akai elembele atoyemantemu elembele yesa post for ho akai dwam ayetwa post for emfoni aba ene de excavator ba konso abata ho ti one policeman one excavator ehonsem edanum sia no pay Republic Press emunsem eno no sanso ana dem di twa toni taxi driver bia ne buafu pa ron hu ni na bokwatre kwa hwan wa mai obia wa ron hu ni na tese enya envitre bi so ekwemu pa na taxi driver park ne car o park car na sikwanchen baby ena wa ron ho e dia cross kwa no ne be me da so na kunkron ko gina kwan finfin aden a re-registration ne eyi ehun sensama MTN for started block sim omoma se bia wonye full registration na call ntumi nye message ntumi test no ebi aka no enwa bu phone no
enwa me show video no oh ne be ma da so
bi
kron
kwatre kwa ana oda ko gina kwa no mu na asem na so ko bom dua wa bo dua so
bagana hapa so serious papa na anapay me ba metike ma talanku na metie ma me bi se wakoye ne registration waye o mama je no 5 cedis ene oya kwa ma no no so nyame betu am kapa ono so dia wo kan ni mu nyame betu am kapa say makotu 5 cedis I am registration so no kra de ote ya no koye oba brewa koye na de ene ode ye kwa emma o ye kono na akate mama na dwa mo no so ada pa o twa o mo na nyame betu aka eno kra nya kes se no so ye no me ni bia
ena company no don so be free o mu oh adna mo businessmen ma ba mo free South Africa ma be establish o Ghana mo nyame adom mu kuta dom na ma Ghana ban ti de mo sa ti mo ga se anye
am kan che ni plan say Ghana nipa hen na ewo bi asem ni na Ghana card nipa hen na kura bi
do still MTN nkofo bom dimpa na so eden ade asie mu be lusu nkofo kakra obi kura be ka se mi yusu MTN biem on mama Ghana abanya Timbers Council no Cocos Council no Oyes Council no levy en mama na da mama so waja tu mama se ya lenke muji levy ama hun sem bebre na nkofo atati bodua ama wenti obi awro ne ho ne kot ne
be ma onam ni pamnya say
en ode snap akobodua wenti
ni sika gu phone so a block aden Ghana ban sika bia nso ni di mama na dede mu
MTN Vodafone Airtel go Glow
so eno de kuzi wonu aba establish wa what asas so ti di oba
anase onjo mu ni commission mu tiama ban omu commission mu tiama ban
press out na asas so ti oda so kwa o say so woni see o
so me kwa won so na won so nya profit cause aban so nya na profit
ti ende
omo to ne de keka na
but the thing is esa omo nya abotre sa ready eni kwa so mo de
limit say we abi aban na ofa no emfa no MTN fo na nko we obi won kwa oyi ni sika hwe oyi su chip no biem
sisi esa omo ya de ne omo fa deadline bi anto mo da ura so mo nko register but with the deadline to ho a eno de emfa
akwese bank de no deadline say o link o Ghana card am o bank account no deadline time up bia no aye
asembe biem abusuan kuzi wawie eni amamenfa the Daily Statesman the obokrata no ento asoyese wiase afa na nyina say obi awra ho papa ya yesu UK for Queen Elizabeth Queen achire mu hema awatoso mienu watwa na nan mo wanse do ti eni wiase nyina obia awra ho na abusuan okuja tobla kwa eda ha na edi okuja toyi wane yuji ahe wo mu fodi da ha se na krata asemo Kenya so okuja to asaka no biebo se okuja to eka se presidential jet na wo Ghana ara yo mu fantu kwan ena no da yuji ahe de ba so presidential jet na okuja to akwan no enya papa ese ya service no ontumi ntu ekwantenten ontimi nkwa kwantenten enu okujeto se yo kana no tumu se okujeto asaba se presidential jet na mo se enya adwuma no atimi atu kwa France se na na dodan kwa ku fado kwa France enti obusa se enti presidential jet am se enya papa no se atimi atu akwa France ana ena kan se yujian his asabe yi ano se wo mo kwa service omu koye ni ye ti France de tunya se bi ebetimi akọ long journey na ya omu shada kope play edwari wom da bi womu ko service enti womu mienu banta eda ha womu we kan we aka ya kratai ade wonsam aba na ya say ochina ya National Fitness Day o Ghana, my beloved country. Watch now your National Fitness Day. And you papa ya washa apomuden samswe. Aji mama nu.
No sure.
Ono na ya de nimfo ni atoso na nya sam ketwa. Enti krata mu ani mami ansa bi gina ha ba ma baako. Mami enu en wo mu shake wo mu si shake your body en wo mu shake no ma tro se ochina aya national. We National Fitness Day. Ghana. Na wo feti wie na wo ba fie na kwam do as ka ba na do aduane adie eno so ya asem sebe na NCA fo ene won se wo mo elbo Ghana fo akwakọ wonom de wone emo bia samunka mu ho mam na ba moto se wonye wo SIM card re-registration no a ene bibi ba na wa wani tua bibi ba na se ma me bia na woteka mu o ka se waye ne de ye register ye tie no de ye kwa emma ti bibi ba ne so de ye kwa afe hello kunkun na ya kato enu nti unye bi akwa nyekwaye we the Daily Statesman ene anope
the Ghanaian Observer the Bokrata Musa nam de twaso kuze to black kwa ni wiem nsem asan piem wan say yes National Petroleum Authority de Ghana NPA any Togo environmental body partner wama ka bom kwa said nkofo yes nkofo wia fango fa kwati kwa so kotogo pa na no maka bom be sisa dia na no kwan sense hadwin na okwato emantema elembele yesi ans mamfa achawan de numra achawan yesi ni obenta Ghana with forged document aban no na stative sa aban Ghana ban say achawan say ni forged document nene ehunsem ebekoso the Ghanaian Observer dem di twato ne say okwa elembele ato emantema wamate China former akuma kunum excavator ya ma DC hu ko kire ni ya fa wa chi China fonum ya nsu se omunim hu bi na sa China fonum no she's on keys Wailing Z Wan Kan Z Li Janwan ana Wan Kan Sheng nipa makuma kunum ya doa wo mu ama the Ghanaian Observer edum foni nso aba
na ma
Bo utri mu anase ya twere wo paper ni.
Edi omudin no.
E wo paper ni mu.
Any paper no but
me edi am
but my search.
Yes.
She's on keys.
Where the jai.
Wailing Z.
Edi papa ni Shonli Hwa.
Shonli Hwa wen. What do I want?
Ana Hwanji. Beche unsu eni. Hwanji.
Yeah. She's on keys. Any 5 arrested.
E paper ni mu anase wa na wo ka.
Paper ni the headline number.
E paper ni mu.
Paper ni the headline number say ache wo mu. And yakọ search for the actual story. And omama omudini ni na.
Omu nyina din na ba.
One Quizzy.
Kwaje na me.
One Pianzi.
No cry.
Li Janwan.
Dia na me so
One Kan Sheng.
Omo ni Aisha Hwan bai.
Omo dia na obon yes. Cause ubo lian kizin me kai.
Kwa kusa ni ubo din no. Eye no ano no. But I was say ye Chinese donation no.
Chinese donation. And mama fan bi. Fan form.
I was say ye Chinese wo mo.
One anti Chinese we near.
Enti Shin Zhong.
She's on craze.
I was here titi wo mu.
Na edin no nyame se ka kai omo fa free he.
Edin na.
Ai, I said omo the sound na tutu di.
Oh, where ya gake.
Ebi agbangbu. Won se ubo
ayi. Abusia din o.
O se?
Ayi abusia din.
Enti
one. Aisha one no.
One.
O be ko China no.
Bebre. Omo
name.
Yes.
One best name.
Any Christian name.
Minji.
Ko Christian name na komo Imano fo bebre, Michael fo bebre.
Where you say Sean? Baka say John. But
Jean
Li Hwa.
She's on keys.
Wanji.
Wailing Z.
Louis Hwa.
One Kan Z.
Omo beku ye yo.
Li Janwan.
Yate ha na nkofo mani nkitenkiti. Omudi hu ya betu. Mama gudi am de ko.
Is your boy ya yo mo de no.
Omo anim de omo bo.
Is yan de na boy yo mo tan.
Omo nte kra.
Yes.
Kwaku ani nkusi bo.
No.
Ebusuafo no obuo gudi no.
Yanko. Any mama would observer ne by
observer.
Any mama father daily dispatch the Bokratano and Twaso Queen Elizabeth dene wajia bosu koba na ebusama hamas one day one jia mefufuani wanju amuni baku say owura bi nso kasa afa June 4th explosion akoso eho ye no so kratai edemunsem aba na esenkofo bi kikansa one person musi post office complex na sika daso abandi besie no 39 million US dollars ebi nso kikasa 78 million US dollars and wo say US dollars ni wo mubobo ni nyina no enya no kure enya 39 ena enya 78 wo ma be kirem se 31 million US dollars and wo mu edi besie post office complex fufro na ninja no mwanso electoral commission titna ni mami Jane Manson da ha ena ode ne nsa kokromoti se no asum na no ena the why na nim no timi se Ghana fo ho ye no wanwatetu ni NDC fo na samu ka nyina ne se wo ka a kire Ghana fo plane fa se nyame aduma 2024 afim pinu ene aduonu nan ye mfa Ghana card nkoto aba enye Ghana card yo home kada afie bia de to aba no ne de koto ti kwafo ne nam ebobom hene na enye Ghana card se no mo ya ni kura wan hwe mo de ba me ato aba wo se David omunni saa adwen no kura omunsi sa nkunya ne bi ento ato saa adwen no enko ho kura adwen no nko enu nti nkofo ekekasa no wo mu jadi voters ID ene be kwa akoto aba na emom enye Ghana card wey eye the daily dispatch ene anapensam a wode aba eno no
the new weekend crusading guide the worker temu 7 am dey toss abusia onumunya fokojo pon kuma mranim ni ofansa yire bi mra chef jani information minister kum na ojese wo mu chinchin Ghana ji o mu chinchin no mo ne o mampani na nado ena chinchin Ghana ehusem ewanum se wode aba na Razak Poku kojo Poku say National Fitness Day emfaso bem pa na woso emfaso bem pa na de bebra Ghana impremprem ya sitinin en National Fitness Day o si dem pa ne benya film obisa sasemi new weekend crusading guide
and mama for the Ghanaian publisher the Obokratano Entraso na his excellence na another Danko Akufo-Addo ene amamu mpanifo bi wo mu nyina da ede ya konsam akọ ede ama Britain fo na Queen Elizabeth otoso mienu Elizabeth akire mu hima onu ni wei a wewei na nam so asa ya konsam we nyina da aba ya ja kratan so atabridi aba ne na another Danko Akufo-Addo mfo ni eda ha no tafa kakra ena agi abosu ko ba ewo the Ghanaian publisher the Obokratano na presidential jet ho asem se ko France you jan se wonom ekosiesie na yesi ya block yo yegusu aye block emse me number no mundruso omuduso mbe block no o ma block ya ndru media no so unregistered sim users yesi yegusu aye block konti odi yakwa emfa kwajo pon kromanso honorable one anado Danko Akufo-Addo konto abo ya kratai etwa hu sam ede aba na Razak Poku asem National Fitness Day ochina ekoso no wo busa se entimu sesen na aye de ne kura ne sen Ghanaian publisher ene ensem enono
Ghanaian Times the Obokratano 7 am dey toss Chishon Quiz Welling Z Wanking Z Linja Wen ana Wanking Shen omon sama sen pie wan mzi ya cho mo na ayi sim kada ehun smart start ebrubru no ye twamfo no atum edoma bochinku ewo bia bi omon kwakoye ayi linkin no nyasem ketwa ehun fo ni aba omko so omko linkin
me TBB omko le de omko register omko linkin Lincoln.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Now, if you are what today,
me tell Lincoln.
Never see you. I like the way you are thinking.
Me cry me TV bisa me Lincoln. Now
Lincoln, yes.
Lincoln.
Lincoln. They are going to link.
Okay.
Customer link.
Now, GSS for the Amanyaba say Ghana do na 30.1 million no. Emu 7.9 million. Oka so munchu muntumi ntwere. Oka so munkan so muntumi nkan. Ehwo amane wo mo dia ba.
Eti ebisa say o ma make ho dia.
Hey.
7.9 million.
Me dey bisa me so ko bi ka ho. Na wo so
ni che wo.
The order I did you to be
the signature na esi etim na twam de omo.
Omutimo. Me ma me say what team.
Na otim okosai den.
Okoduru aka je say metima ma adwuma asem ato no. 87.9 million.
Yes.
I want to be
$2,000. Wow.
Okay, so my chum tre ko
munya wan. Tina bu ya faso yo. Omunya betna so say kiri no mu bu ya fasaja. Ya nte de akwaso. Ya nim tro. En makenkan.
Ministry of Education we adwuma yo.
Papa
7.9 million.
Hey. Hey.
I think kan.
Is a Ghana for you now. Almost you now.
Sir. I say bi obi afie.
Yeah, bia obenya bi wo sana papa yes
obi wo
omampani fie kura bi wo ho
fie kura ho
omampani
tena na bi on te bawo
ya dio
me kura me busi akra ho
7.9 dia no odi o
no ashedodo
7.9
o guso a wo hwe obi
me hwem
ya dio
me swa bago onu adwa
no engufo na ana
me swa
to amutumi spell omudi
engufo na nche
engufo no
why engo
ana
omo ye engo
nye de omo ya tusi ana so
de esun aha
so bi wo
efie bia ebi wo bia fie
babia
ofa ko mi bacho mi tia o
okay sir untumi ntro entumi enkan ya na don just say utie wu
o dabi ye unsi ye wo school nyansa ne wo fie nyansa if ye nyansa no so enne be kan school nyansa no na ayeboa
yes
yeah erade
Ghanaian Times ne ja sim we buy
enne ma me fa daily guide the Obuoba no ento aso ye say the Ghana man penny abedi eche Dr. Alhaji Mahmudu Bamia Dr. Gideon Buakun was say NDC for ye MPP for be ye edwana aju omo de omo ko be yem omo de omo ko be yem NDC for abefo ni nyina ko hia no ma bo MPP ho edwa na na ajoro ho sana de achewe
ayayo
anu Ghana
ojelegbo
etiani MPP for asem was say abeto no Gideon Buakun Dr. Gideon Buakun na dey asem abeto dwa CNDC for the bia be fo papa omu soko anaju boja kayiri bombom ni bi dro na anju MPP for nko a na na dodan kwaku fo adode ne nko fo na anajo no wo mo twa mo srani abasa sunsum ayi police NDC for no na mami queen mami wove nwa kana no kokokokokoko enya sam ketwa yesisi ono de ne bretwam o wokọ na mahama so ni IMF o menya shintin wanfo no sugu ha ayifo no Chinese fo duma ya cho melembele ogala no wo mutu excavator na waayo no na ema hwe wo ba tie prupru wa bi
okan
ena mema so nan
sisi enu mami so nkoto okokro so nton Chana ni oda we
onya dey
sisi enu mami so nkoto okokro so nko
onko ton dey
koko
body koko
yes
onya akwala o
I'm a penny.
Is there gas on your trip on one yet of a quick money?
Obe tu gala.
Hey, yeah, fool.
Today,
Gala.
Oh, gala, you be queen.
Gana efo.
Oh, I know that.
Woman, dear woman, two
Castle won't
you almost come to him.
I'm gonna qua.
Na we ya chom se kwa na e ya omosere. Azu ya besa ba.
Oh, my name is Samsu.
Pa.
Ya besa ba.
But o kon ma me nya hono mo life na hwe.
Say no mo live ana.
Yes.
China for na so mo.
Ah, mo ni no mo cause nipa ne
obi anim ne de ewo mu.
Eh, almost sesa do.
China for na so mo isi omo baako na na.
First no.
This but isi omo ya
fro. Eno kra ntumi nwo more than 5.
Yes, omo dance dodo. No mo se senso.
Omo
ka oba beira.
Om penna dodo. Ada on wana. Cause o show mu war movies crowd. Rough.
Omo ya dey. Lincoln we are rough.
Me.
Lincoln no.
Ah.
Rough.
Omo pay too much.
E dey no. E dey no mpe no sa no.
Tomo wo bebre anya wanwa.
E dey no mpe. What's where we? Okay, but I make a you daily guide.
Okay, the chat daily graphic, the work out to see truth and accuracy every day. The Odiabano, Queen Elizabeth, out of me, no one some kwa. Now, I say 1961 said them didn't gaga, no, Bessie 1999, 1961 and 1999. Mammy Eba Ghana 61 and the man good. Now, how good minimum there, I don't the exchange. Cause gan tetone abakọ se medo ayebete ese ne taaye sa de ne pa etumi mo bi god ni aja hwe ma wo mahu
eh bo so milk sardine ne ya mo edikoko amam ne aje sardine
no ma je god ni koko no mo de ko
no ko no ma e sardine e bo no so ayi enku no mo jase ari ma bon mo lukutu oluko Ejo tu mbo to mo tu.
Nko je tu ma bai.
Obi se me kan kire fia se or say tell Efia to give Chinese name to her firstborn.
Hey. Really?
Me ni mo ni pakro but so oba odi kan ya na odi.
Me fa na to ada me na China ni da ba wo.
Me nim se bia wo sha won kom dia. Me nim se wo sha won kom dia.
No. Me mete ho
but wa mfani di anka ho.
Wa mfani di anka.
But metimi ehu se be ye ayi. Onipa ya o send message me say.
Okay.
Oh, Kofireta.
Da bi. Ba ku bia
Bibi Taylor.
O ka so o send o ayi. Sika bi mire bi.
Kwa Taylor. Taylor me tin ka cho.
Ado
kwa message send message bi sa.
Sa. Ani pa ko wan wan fa di amba. Na on che me din kro no amemfa ma no.
Enti no me pa cho say me nka nche o se kire ni din kro. Na wan kasa na won so send message ni fa wudin ka ho.
Fa ka ho.
So I as here.
Say John Lee wa na me de be ma no. Se ba ko udi ba ko do ye
she's on quiz.
Okay. Enti na je say yenchia ne yenkoi.
Ya chia de
you can see there.
Oh, yes. Me chia me stopping.
Chia me stopping.
Ana me chia na sefo nyina me soa obago. Enya me board de oni hu agoro.
Ya no de aso.
Oh, no de aba. Ono akra de ba. Enti me soa obago me chia papa Nyankopon hira o. Bro nya me ba ho.
Hwe na kono.
O kwa me no be cause me sure say bi endu
na kwaku so dia dia o de send o.
O say
ade na o de send o.
Wa mo.
O ka so no bro de ye ni hu agoro.
O me board e kokwa bayire.
O so sa.
But ya me nya kwan no anti ya me ntan mo mfamba.
Mo mfamba.
Me de board e
okay, but o see your friend Kwabena Steven.
Ni o de Kokobin.
Kwabena Steven Matewai.
I see. Also the first name Kusi mention or say Edina or boy.
Hey.
And
also no pay. She's on quiz.
Hey. Quiz. Let's man obey quiz in kwa.
And you know,
Shinzon quiz.
Ampofu.
Shinzon quiz ampofu. Let's welcome Shinzon quiz ampofu.
Kasa mu gbogbo mu din a. Odi the saying. My name is Shinzon ampofu.
Ready na mesrafa.
Fiako.
Edi yehu. Na mo sa ampofu asaka ho.
Asemo. Okay, inti na just say I don't so one seven no on Friday's protocol nya adwuma. Ma na say na fe yem fancy de ento aso e wa ha. Abusia ye da se bebre na ye betwe ho aba ye ba nso a enkomo no bebre no ana aka ye de ebe ma o tie we ma yen ye ba sisi a.
Wububa, Jansiativo! You and Penfose at Benya Tibetia, Ekinigeni ho, Nanyansaninsu, Yabunube, Yankanasem, Anunti, AHENKAN933FM, Memini Debia, and Umrenon son Ekopim no tree, Shia, or Hiniba, Osu, Ankuma, and Kwame Asante, Wamra, Omaja Konya Cassia, na Omode, a Bebu Jumedi Ebro, Sawo and Potamuha, now Betty Mebuba, Brian Kain, 93.3FM, Nabetsra will catch powers, Ewa Abebum, Sansan Penfocus at 20. Yano Sanania Fagin, Kusia Fufu and Kubedi, Nancy Wadro and Uncle Boom, Yano Miss Ububa, Yansiatibo, Memon in the beer, and Renon song copim no trick, case cruise.
Me mamo ayiko ya ye na former way master me wa ha na nanu cement me kotoma mo se mo fa nya adwuma no sai na former uhu cement no oh master wunim ade papa pa that's right unisam cement okofa ba ye no se wo total so se wo ba price no se wo twa blocks so se wo to blocks so ama ye adwuma ye mbre unisam cement that's ramati so we mason we labourer we foreman na so pesa wo adwuma ye fa ya kono na gina painting dia that is the product unisam cement your bottom and a paper mu die na so bi pe cement papa say ya ehemfa no ben bi ato so wo pe unisam cement bi ato e wa chim dan ni patam ha wo be ko some cheese enterprise your amantra yani Dukes filling station and di ehwani mu fly 0243 583 190 and 0540 659 865 so we amazing and our foreman na udi enipa beto cement babru 50 bucks so a ye chewa de free some chi enterprise and di aba achim dan amantra ye ni Dukes filling station edi ehwani mu
onye da for dream baby obetimi aye investment and as obetimi di usika akokoto a obetimi aye adwuma ma obosomoso a wenye kakra etumi ade atafre ana ene de mekanfo bisanyame power investment edima eno penny investment company na wo Ghana ha na mo a omo ye very credible omo di usika ne adwuma na bosum bia so no yetumi ama omo oha ne titemu 7% usika bia de beto bia no ye calculate 7% ne yetumi de sanfa so no etumi de ama na usika botin no esanso eda ho dwuma koi omo so ye kese no ewo kaswa new market saso no mbesanso another branch ewo tema committee 9 agresso edro de no foforo kra eno ewo agresso edro ewo tezaku eni donko ensas eni di ehwanimu so penchirem bia eso se de medesum sisi aso de frempeni for ewo 0557 228512 0557 228512 na what meaning pay for at me edi sawo ehonmo bisanyame power investment wo bia fatasodi.
Ah, sweetheart, me check your dear what you have me bus here.
Ah, no, Mr. E, no, what dear.
Hey, Mr. E, dear, who here, papa.
Aye, odo, I was who hear me.
Who be here, one pa. Esan say E-man capsules. Express Healthcare, Eddie Abegaso. And no, and I'm a member. Yeah, member canteen can kasa. Obi our sexual weakness, low sperm count, and now the boy near Kakrabina and Nabeseko, Kojoto, and now prostate disorder be and a how no, me pacho, E-man capsules, aka Mr. E. And my way Bema Muse said, E-man capsules, no, Yasemu Kenan Kasa, Amaunumua Bema, Oba Bojuma Brika. Express Healthcare, and the E-man capsules, and Mema Dromapa, Ediaba, Nanuachino, Omo the Express Garlic Bitters, Adiabegaso, Obi our asthma, diabetes. diabetes, stroke and how, high blood pressure, and na ebia wo nan no nsaye titiriti kakra no, ana waya kese abroso no, eye express garlic bitters, ebema oswate. E-man capsules, emema dia, express garlic bitters, emani memma ne nkoda nyina numbi. Nanso de onu mfie dumienu entimi numbi. Wo hwehwe express healthcare, no watu dodo a ko adenta pantan e won kran.
Akimoda, Ochiniba, Kennedy Drugstore, LB Amwafo, always. Kede, Repair Pharmacy, Martin Kumi, Accra, Kings Walk Heba, Posh Ventures, and Harrows Heba.
Anafre 0244 866 240. Express garlic bitters. Mr. Inie, emema, ye bebo adwuma birika. Say ya.
Hey! Agwazi jade ujafo ena ne car engine ewuo ya esi wodro so fitting shop wo no
Bra, enyo ne kamfu si horse engine oil man no ogia na ne kyerɛ yes bra me na masam no akrabato yakasa se si horse engine oil no and no special additive ohuru engine mu e ma ne kyɛ
me dwene ho won
na via da kra ene me ne e ka ba fie na me fa he
the whole world open quality engine oil seahorse and wo so say private cars taxis commercial and heavy duty trucks
enu ti no me kanfo seahorse 15W40 and 20W50 ama drivers any ka una fo nyina
afi motorbike aboboya and pragiafo no mumu de mu hia eye seahorse special 40 enu and riders and mechanics e wo sem use you
unua no kura wo mni say seahorse product and ye papa ani bonso e wo form sem frimu fia e free na kro seahorse engine oil nko na begu me car engine mu
and ye fresh seahorse for 0244 577 559 and 0240 800 007 seahorse products
enua
Ghana Akuafue, Adama West Africa, Emma Adwuma Adama West Africa, agrochemical company, wo Israel. Na watena se ahwehwema hu se Akuafue to mne bia emfue timi gimafuo nyina e de boso. Ni titiru ene esre. Se esre na agi wafuo aboso dia. Ene na mekamfo agile e de amount. Wudua no bi te se enkruma, tomatoes, nyadoa, watermelon, meko, ayoyo, anafei, abroba, abra esre na fifi fofra eba no. Hwehwe agile na first spray esre so ansan wetu akwa akotim. Anasa wo de watimi mpo awie no. Na de agile spray esre ni nyina so. Hye no so. Mema esre ni nyi bebre ansana de agile akwa spray so. De hia sa wo behwe 10 tomatoes eketoa no. No ahye ba akopɛ de agu kafukafu afidie yi mu. Na do ensuo 15 liters. Afra wo de spray pe wawie wadwuma. Sa wo de agile spray wafu ase a emma enhyrene a wo no ban na agu no entingu. Eno achi no akuafo mo nso dua bibi te se beans enkate anafe soya beans no. Omo nso hwehwe vezil ekumfue na se prekopɛ edi free sa no be yi ase. De se wo ye nie unya hu se emfue na hyase e bapɛ. Hwehwe vezil na first spray na se wo de spray so pɛ ubetu emfue na se nyina. Wo to vezil a betimi de spray wafu na se empre nwotwe. Eno kro ya nso spray 1.5 acres. Eya no afa 30 mils. Anase obesusu atra ye dididie no miensa na wo de nsuo 15 liters afra. Benya bia to ewo agrochemical shop bia eben wo Ghana fa na nyina. Anase wo befre 0544 325 030 ana 0270 575 030. Adama West Africa Ghana Akuafo ye jimudi.
Ghana adisiye Obuoba Ofori Amanfo emamo ache edeba ahenkan 93.3 FM. Ghana adisiye Obuoba Ofori Amanfo emamo ache edeba ahenkan 93.3 FM.
What wasum yeda se so atwen yen ama yakoto nkra yaba Maakye ni dwumadi ni din. Me no ka sei ohwe omre no so a bread gusu e kon kakra sa sima no nwotwe na abo apa no pa no nkron ho na ene no de krum aye hye ayie wo krum awerehosem na aba nanso so ye wo gidie ewo ahotoso wo Kristo mu se nea esisie ni nyina no eye denara we nso ebetwam obroni se this one too shall pass. Enti mo sha yi ase net se me awurade nya ye boafo no nkyekire nyina ye wure na onka ye ho na maye nkodidi nkono menim se ye di ye kodidi ye di aye ko ise nche de nya yi sa ye ko party akasa na ma ne nye party ne mum ye nsua bibi mfiri mu se ne atu nua ene ise ya ma yi adane party te say okon kan enkran yi akasa de se do ma se no efu da hokra na ewu fufu di adwan ye dwen amanga wonu wanya wu akwantuo nti moma yensua bibi mfamfiri ye nwia na mo kɔ 1111 moma yensua bibi mfiri mu na emoa yen na yeda so tiase a yenya enko ye die na ewose ye ma ya pomuden so ɛho asɛm ehia yen pa na ɛno na Jubilee Hospital esem kan kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo services no ɛdɔɔso papapapapa ɛno nti yɛto nsa de afrɛ wo a anɔpa yi wo ho dodo wo ho hyɛ da mfa wo no yɛkamfo Jubilee Hospital ɛde ama wo bikodi nkɔmmɔ wei ba a yɛbɛsan aba na afei yɛbɛdi Jubilee ɛnso so ho nkɔmmɔ ɛyie ɛde ama wo mene owura Daniel Fein ɔyɛ counselor ɔno korɔ no asan ɛyɛ educationist yɛba no adesua ne mu nkyerɛkyerɛmu a wabene papapapapapa yɛne ɔpani nkɔtwetwe nkɔmmɔ yɛra Dani wote yɛn ka a anka na fam so nie Maakye na umpo mɔkɔdeɛ nyame adom yɛn so yɛ ho yɛ papaapa enti Ghana Statistical Service wɔn survey a wɔn yɛ yɛ adadi sɛ Ghanafoɔ bɛyɛ sɛ 7.9 million ɛna wɔn yɛ sabio illiterate wɔn ntumi ntwerɛ wɔn ntumi nkenkan wakɔyɛ ɔpanin a wabene wɔ nwoma sua nsɛm mu no Ghana ɔko yi yɛkɔ anaasɛ yɛba
yo maame ndase na menkyia etiefo nyinaa na if I didn't go to the substantive issue, I want to appeal to the Ghana Statistical Service that they should release the entire report of the census. I say, in Katenkate, one or the portion be Abatuga, one or the portion be Abatuga. I don't think that is very useful exercise. Documents, and a very strong document. I think the whole lot of stakeholders want to see it and read it. The population, the growth, number of children, unemployment, university students, senior. I mean, we need all these, you know. If the steps, those of us who are analysts, the whole complement of the documents, like to me, analyze the The reason is this. Now, you have mentioned, say, 7.9 million. You're trying to say almost 8 million are not able to.
Too bad. And you say we will raise him back on the line after and then try and come abono eso or shall see an anchor over church mudia tray any part or pipi and song a chiripo and cron and I ought to say woman to me tro woman swa woman into me and kind na yegusua ye analyze na yahwe and near my contribute because maybe I agree and looking at the introduction of free senior high school na boa mene efie bia nso abewremu no akwala bia kɔ senior high ɛwɔ hɔ and clearly aban nso so ɛyɛ bibi sɛne ɛbɛyɛ a wɔde bɛte saa ɛnneɛma yi ɛso nti yɛhwɛ sɛ yɛnsa bɛsan ka yɛwura no na yɛde no atoa nkɔmɔ no so nti okay wasan ba biem yɛwura wɔde bɛkyɛn wahoma ne tito mu na wugu so a afei na wo ba substantive issue no ankasa ɛso.
Yes, so as I was saying, no, we are told that almost 8 million people are illiterate. Now, because we don't have the full complement of the document, now look at how half this information is. Yaka literacy. Literacy means read and write, listen and speak. So these are the four. The ability to read, write, listen, and then speaking. So school, my back said listening, reading, writing, and then speaking. That four is. Don't say 8 million people are illiterate. Is that to mean that they can't read, write, listen, and speak? If yes, in which language? Is it their local language or English language? Because obi etumeka nekasa on one language, not to make training language. We will say the person is illiterate. Illiterate. The person is illiterate in his language, okay, or her language. If Ghana Statistical Service, further details, okay, these 8 million people, no, they can't read and write in English. Then we can start the conversation from there. If it is in English, then it is a positive step to your country of about 32 million people. Okay, not only 8 million cannot read and write in English language. I mean, that means this is a very positive step. With time, we will get a lot of people to be able to read and write in English. However, Sayaka said this 8 million people, they can't read and write even in their own local language, and then this is a disaster. In this figure way, the same figure can be positive if it is about English language, or negative if it's about their local language. So they should give us further details on the language they are talking about.
Okay.
That's number one. Number two, your baby class are find computer literacy. So you can also be an illiterate. Is it fair? About literacy in terms of computer, say you have on the phone, on to me call WhatsApp, on to me call Facebook, on your normal text message, on to me read it, and on to me send a normal text message, email, and all these things. Is it computer literacy? It's a literacy there. It is a very broad subject, which we would need a lot of further details. Then, even mathematics, or mathematics literacy. The fact will be that you are the 1 + 1 album, no way to make an answer, or that you are kind of counted stones, Nensa, no way to market figures, the album, or market, or that you are kind of style, or that you are amount, meaning mathematics literacy. Into say 8 million people, no? So you can say illiterate generally. Is that supposed to mean, say, number one, they can't read and write in their language? 2, they can't read and write in English language. 3, they are computer illiterate too, so they can't use computer and the mobile phone. Number 3, they are illiterate even in mathematics. Say they all market, I want to mean bigger, and I want to mean so and all those things. You know. So for 8 million, what year illiterate in all these things, and then Ghana has a huge problem because this number is very huge. For Obia, and Kofa want to wear computer illiterate. Woma were mathematics illiterate, English language illiterate, local language illiterate. Internal Yafan said together, we put them together and call them illiterate. Now this number is very huge. But if it is illiteracy in a particular language, say they are English, Mamo to me, English no to me can, on to me try. Nembum, the Menaka fan there, or bit money made in Komokama, Menaka every, and I down, or bit money made in Komokama, another diary, or bit money made in Komokama. Such a person, no, yeah, mother discussion and you're very clear. Now I'm fresh and if I will illiterate, because for illiterate in his language or her language.
Okay, in not to say clearly, no, Odiania, all children say, and what's the English language, a year measure, whether it be a literate and also a literate.
So yeah, the English no crab and on Ghana Statistical Service, one more out and one more class. Okay, illiteracy na your kind. It is for English. Now you to me analysis from there. Okay, they should give us details on illiteracy normal kind, in which field or in which language. Is it the English language? Is it the local language? Is it computer literacy? Is it mathematics literacy? And all these things. You don't hear some of these details. But say English there, then I think this number is quite promising. In other words, there were 32 million people in the country. Okay, 24 million can speak and write English. Not 8 million cannot speak and write English. At this 8 million in Pono, Ubekumpano. Na emberwa fu bebre woman kokora fu bebre wo ma wo de be fa me say omo generation no aye bit over and no wo ho ansa na yes sign wo enkwala nketenkete an won so kora no wo gusu a omo usua intino wo be hwempo na sa 8 million no kora no by 3 million people who are either very old or too young. Let's say out of the 8 million, no, it be about 5 million pet. Na youthful people and yes, it is almost illiterate, but almost illiterate. Okay, you see, that's why I premise my comment and say Ghana Statistical Service and Kasa details and what they but I'm 1 year more analysis because all the documents, all the details, you know, and my contextualize the argument.
I get your point.
Yes.
All right. Inti you heard the interventions in so abino the aba as far as education is concerned. Inti omo introduce free senior high school. Aboa mene nkoda be say 1.2 million and oma benefited from it. Into the young funny say omu use English, as a yardstick kranoa. Yamaya 2-3 years with the intervention of free senior high school, no, when you see a bit me defeat the so-called illiteracy, no.
Yes, it will be very difficult to use school to kill illiteracy. I mean, school will contribute, and definitely. In fact, may assure say even with the current figures, school are contributing a lot into even 8 million. No? But the school, our solution to illiteracy, then I'm sorry, it won't be possible. The reason is that Akwalana Oko School and English in Kwana or na you focus on that. Obuoba will drop you out of school because of mathematics, because of social studies, because of science, because of PE. In Tisani Pano, Kaya Pesa Yedi School, everyone mobile literate, social studies, I'm a Wija school. Okay. Oko, very developed countries are. Their way of killing illiteracy is that they have made it a part of their culture. Remember the computer literacy. One computer are a part of their normal culture. In you have a work in there. And you know the a tablet. And or baby car. Well, you see, I'm a colony in growth process, no? Yet the computer now frafra. So in developed countries, Aqualan being as a natural computer literate. But say you say Ghana no you say you kill illiteracy no. Yet the school never be ya. Not say Aqualan answer no or be start school or you illiterate number one. Into say sabi Aqualan into man go school na say or you illiterate forever. So you say Aqualan ya one in there. Area woman on school behind the home and a school one expensive in don't mean good year. That automatically why illiterate and obey illiterate for life. Okay. But say you say English Ghana you be illiterate in English. Then we should find a way to take English to various homes. Now if you English in be a part of their normal lives. Then we can say we are likely to kill illiteracy in the next 5-10 years.
Okay.
Only the classroom, you limit and say, the only exposure a child would have in English is a work school. Non English, Madam Ebejanini, and an English say Ebejanini nature. That's the only time the child can have exposure to English. Then it will be very difficult for us to eradicate illiteracy.
Okay.
I would suggest to government say if we indeed want to take off illiteracy completely from our settings, then we must begin taking English language to the various homes and families. In other words, Ankayema, families, English, any part of our communication language, normal communication language, and you can make it fancy and achieve. And me kasa wo fie no nka ban ne ma room say me di English so and me ba no be di nkomo ama me ba no wan tu man ko school poa or better bro from fie. And I tell you that will also be a whole complicated concept because we are in a country where we have our identity tied to our language. It will be all your fancy and
person will be the language for fraud.
There also will be a whole new discussion on its own.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Maybe me say final question of me nya kwan na ekokra but yi say nya wabobo so nyina no a you betimi write off the effort of the government of the day say they are not doing anything or even the previous government the one contribution as far as say you be eradicate and as you be limit illiteracy or Ghana no say na hu no mu nyina effort no.
I believe they are doing one or two things. Only that the yeka literacy nankasa say yes literacy nankasa. I think there's more to be done. But ye the boom na ya shano education. Say there general education, mathematics, English, social studies, RME, CRS, geography, economics, yes, general education. Then we can say that almost every government have built 1 or 2 senior high schools, built 1 or 2 universities, it recruited 1 or 2 teachers, and so all these things are efforts towards helping to eradicate illiteracy. But the peak is what then measures pan are buying or the go for English language speaking and writing. I tell you that I think it's very difficult for anyone to really point a finger at a particular measure or intervention are buying why say are buying we buy and our previous government or share that recruitee English masters. And as our buying we buy and we see language centers in all the communities in Ghana. You know, in that direction, we may not be able to say a lot about all our governments, but the kind of education generally, say basic education, adequate university. I think government are contributing one way or the other in the expansion of our education system. Yeah.
Okay. My Sierra Bibi any besan baby. Okay, into education is a counselor, Daniel Fingin. And Ekotri and Komono, and that also brings us to some 26 minutes into 9 a.m. Now, quick one, Namin Fasida, Emma Abuafu ye. And nanu Ukuadano, numero baby, and mentally challenged. Yakas will be a mentally challenged. Na sebi, send ya minumi nube drink, send ya minumi nube yadieno. Onipa a wote saa no entumi enye bibisa na o kire se amanebo ne kire se obewo ne 30 simu ho baabi ka ebo no ewo achimsu aduru he ya ka bo no ema enam so amunumu ho no a ka ne bo no otoa nananom ewo ense do ena o ma ne so ode namu no ekọ achimodan aban ayaresabia na bepem ne no busuani bi antwe ne ti e mekere se onipa na aka ne bo no oye mibusuani minimo no anase bibisa enti empanifo se yamfantom nyina nim se sabi udehie bi na dwen ene sade oye ne niam na nhye sisi so sade menumi enu be ye nioma ena wone na machim so aduru mpotemu ho no mo a wo kire se ka bo no na ka bo no na amunumu hɔ a ɔtoa nananum wonse do ɔmo de na mu no abɛsen kɔ achimodan ban ayaresabea bɛpem ne obusuani bi anya enyi ne ti nti ɔmo srɛ mu nyina sɛ mo hwɛ na sɛ uhwe mu a na wode hye bi ontene nka na wama na abɔ to no akɔ hɔ no mo akɔ achim so adura police fo nso sɛ wo mo ɛwɔ hɔ a information bi a wo pɛ sɛ ɔde ma wo no nso betumi di ama wo mo enya achim so adura mpo na eya achimodan so a wokɔ hɔ no mo a wode bɛma wo mo very sad one, very sad one pa sɛ atumi akɔ sa Jubilee Hospital enso sɛ menka nkyerɛ wo sɛ outpatient service ɛkɔ so ɛno ne yɛgyina hɔ na gye inpatient service nso kɔ so laboratory, pharmacy, antenatal care, postnatal care, theater, maternity, ɔmo ɛwɔ ultrasound scanning machines ɛwɔ hɔ no mo a yɛde check wo prostate ma no momra na mo anyame adoma fa yafunu ye hwesa abofra no da yi anase won na yie abosome do sen we di ba bi oda no bibia ye okay de so utimi ba ne check ni nyina wani ne ye wo ya nso a ye wo eye clinic e wo ho no mo ye be check ya ma diabetes ne hypertension na ye fia da yi ho adesua ekoso denden de ye wo canteen wo ho no mo a ubedidi peche very healthy food enko ana onsa beka e wo ho health insurance ne nso aban ene ankrankran de ne agi ni nyina e wo yen ho enomo na odan aboabo kwantempon so amantra bridge ne so ha na wo behunu yen 0244 575799 0244 575799 and 0241 784645 0241 784645 ɛyɛ number bɛfrɛ no yɛtumi agye so kama pa ODI Electronics ɛso sɛ menka nkyerɛ wo sɛ nyankopɔn yɛ adom a World Cup no a yɛbɛkɔ soɔ no ɛwɔ sɛ wotena wo dɛm na wohwɛ na woanya asɛm yɛbɛbɔ bi anadwo wokɔ heme kɔhwɛ bɔɔl sɛ wiase ayɛ hu tete ne nyinaa so na ma wo nsanka wo TV, wo fridge, wo deep freezer, gas cooker, blender, kettle, washing machine na intumi emwa wo pa 0554 171393 0554 171393 kasa dodo en toponko eni ti se wani je na pese wo nsaka bia number no ofra enkomo wo ho na matimi adi bi se nyame power investment ezo simpani se ahohene nti na ye jabowere se ne be ya dache honam ba bi keka wo betimi atitie na wo ankasa wate de eni nti wo seme kan kire wo anopa yi se sika no wanya no fa kakra bra beka yenye de ne ho na yemfanye business emma wo bosumi bia wobenya ohamu abupen enson 7% eno ne dividend a ebeba wo ho o main capital no mother capital na de ba ne de bekoso wo ha yemfa yensanka ebekoso ade ya adwuma dandan ni a ama bosumi bia so abamfaso ama won so nsa aka wo de se o hwehwe ya chiri kwan a yen atran kasie mu no ewo kasoa new market eharo ne ya atran ya kasie mu no ewo sanso ena wo ko tema community 9 ubehunu yen aguna so aduro de ya besi office complex kama pa ultramodern ewo ho eno no aguna so aduro tesako ye ne donko and sons ene di enmhwe number ne 0557 228512 0557 228512 aban ama yetumi krata se yetimi edi se adwumain bisenyame power investment ne ajo so say everybody deserve to be rich. Unisam Cement Ghana eno so se wo ho eboa pa project ahodo ananse nkrofo eye eno a na ye de eye Unisam Cement Ghana ye wo pepa mu de ne oroba mu de Samche Enterprise Achimodan Mantra Wache Junction ehoro na obehunu no ewo oni Dukes filling station ne ben ho pa ye san so eton iron rods enketwa adantemu dwumadie bia wukodie no ugina faako no atoni nyina enchensin nie prango nwekere nadoa no yede bobo enchensin anase dan mu yede di dwuma no mprango ni nyina bi wo ho no mo a ugina faako beto nyoma ni nyina enya fe na mekọ akoto dabi ugina samche ho obeto cement obeto iron rods obeto ayi nchensin nadoa ene edan nyoma ehu nyoma nyina no ayade a won sabe tumi aka 0243 583190 0243 583190 uye mesin na obeto bags na be se aduonum ne neboro sanso akyede no eye bafu a wodi ebekọ efie nti me yemfa seda enko emfa ma wo nso bie ububa ne agye so se yenso yetibo oju hudi a empanin se bekon ye ne din efata no a na nye ema mukase anansa ne maami mukase na efata no wo kono ampa ene sen ye tunsa de afre wo a wo fie a wo se uju hudi a wo de bakese edwan krofo asum ni se ye mo akwanya no bra ma wiase nyina hunu adoma kyede nyankopon de amma wo edo anu se obenya kukuduro so oba ya santo aba AHENKAN933FM ha oba wo se me metimi abube ni bi wontwuro me din wotwuro wudi no aka pre a ya boni mumpo enya de a wobetua wo de a ne se obeba ana wobedi kan afre enso a ni nyina wo ho 0593 649595 0593 649595 wububa yenso yetibu afi mamemfa asida de edi ho enko emfama AHENKAN933FM Roofing Company unza mekan mu nyina maje so ye adentia yese adepa ena eton ne ho AHENKAN933FM Roofing Company eba ye hwan pa no so no wakoto nchense akukuru ne dan so ensuo toye asesa ato agu baabi aje se wa na ape na minim se we ya ye kan se no nipa bekowu na so ayeden ɛde nti yɛ kan wo bebu nnua gu asum akwa koto konko akyiri konko ohyia kwaku anu ɔkyerɛ ne nsɛm akyerɛ no ohyia abena anu ɔkyerɛ ne nsɛm akyerɛ no enso bia ma wo amane so ate ase na yɛmpɛ ne tutum pɛ ne no enti ne mekamfo AHENKAN933 Asatec Roofing Company ɛde ama no pay tie hai sand seam yewobi self lock yewobi IDT ebi wɔ hɔ IBR ɛno nso ebi wɔ hɔ sizes no yɛwɔ ni nyinaa bi wɔ hɔ 0.3 mm 0.4 mm 0.5 mm 0.6 mm ɛne mm no sɛ me sɛ me ka adagye bɛbɔ yɛn yɛwɔ ni nyinaa bi yɛsan so ɛwɔ standard roofing sheets 8 feet by 4 ni nyinaa anaasɛ 8 by 4 no sɛ deɛ mo keka no ni nyinaa ebi ɛwɔ hɔ yɛwɔ aluminium roofing sheet alusink yɛwɔ galvanized ɛne yɛwɔ colored roofing sheet color bia wɔpɛ ebi wɔ hɔ yɛsan so wɔ rubber roofing sheet ɛwɔ hɔ afei yɛmra accessories no yɛde bobɔ soɔ no yɛwɔ rain cutters yɛwɔ red caps valley cutters side stream sizes bia wɔpɛ efiri 14 ɛkɔpem 18 yɛwɔ ne nyinaa bi afei yɛmra mprango no nso prango no yɛwɔ color bia wɔpɛ ɛwɔ hɔ edidisu bebre no a tie hai yɛsan wɔ China Turkey any German metal doors o kan hwemu sɛ bam yɛsɛ gye se kyena hwan ne kromfoɔ ɔbɛ wosoa enkosi hwee plastic T&J ne nyinaa bi wɔ hɔ na anigye sɛm ɛsan wɔ mu ne sɛ yɛmpɛ sɛ ɔtotɔ nneɛma ne wie ne mekɔ akɔfa wi aba dabi ɛhɔ nso so wogina hɔ a wobɛtɔ nneɛma ne nyinaa sɛ ɛyɛ blocks ɛna ɛno nso wopɛ ɛde akɔdi udwuma a yɛtwa ne dada ɛnya afei mekɔtɔ cement a kɔ tira betira bi yɛtwa ne dada kra ana bi krompa ne wɔ akɔtɔ cement a yɛbata kakra bi ɛnya afei no nso ɛbɛbɔ ka aba bɛtotɔ bibia ɛno ane sɛ wobɛba yɛwɔ horo blocks ɛwɔ hɔ yɛsan so supply anwea aboɔ a yɛde si dan quarry stones no yɛwɔ ne nyinaa bi me makan ayaw de ubisa se yɛwɔ henfa akyem ɔdan yɛne Kia station no ɛna ɛdi anim hwɛ me kyerɛ akyem ɔdan dwa kɛseɛ no ɛgya tɔ mu no na kyiri hɔ ɛna wobɛhu ne yɛn ɛhɔ deɛ ɔba a wo nsa bɛka biribiaa bi saa nso na ɔmanfoɔ ɛkɔnkran ne tema mo nso mo kopie mu ɛwɔ ɛyɛ tema old CMB Cocoa Warehouse ɛhɔ nso so yɛwɔ hɔ yɛn block factory no wɔ Ntiamoa Hotel Junction ɛbɛn ash foam baabi a wɔn tɔn no ebia na osika sɛ mo nyɛ ɛne nti wogina faako ntumi ntɔ ne nyina but w'ani gye ho tua ne nkakra ɛbɔ ma wabɛgye wade ɔno korɔ no yɛwie a yɛasan ɛde agu kaa mu akɔyi ama free baabi a wokɔ bia 20 years warranty yɛde asi akyire pan apart from yɛn no ɔmo aka no ɔmo so ɔmo gye ɔmo ho di no ɔmo ma warranty ne yɛnhwɛ yɛasan so deliver deɛ ne de amount ten acha nefua 9 onsa bɛka onioma nyinaa frɛ 0245 979311 0245 979311 AHENKAN933 Asatec or say a total solution of any roofing still anointing now when you say AHENKAN933 no AHENKAN933 no obadwuma papa utie me we company ye kekan osusu nya ya nke ye kan wo de bisa de ama wo nya akukuduro ne bra ha enye se ne ye bekwa ahenkwan se de wo mo tisue de me kura me betimi akotom ade wo ho da bi yen yaba ama obi a ayese eye maame Vic bese yese na akufu ado waba ama obi a enti yan so yaba ama obi a Ahenkan FM ewo akyem aboabo abo ne ni Presby Primary ɛna ɛwɔ asase baako so ɔde ama menka ne sɛ ne nyina anim no Presby Primary asase baako so ne nyina yɛwɔ yɛ number nie 0244 Ahenkan FM number me de ma wo no apart from number we offer number bia mu a ɛyɛ kun 0244 290093 0244 290093 enwumaku ya dawroma omka musika bomu ani anya hoden na ya baba besom ewo ekwan sonko so ma yemfa mo adwenkyira hodo bi amode ba ye ne mfa ntoa so na yenye mu mfa makɔ bike ne yɛhwɛ de obetumi ayama yɛn ne yɛn sɔre so kra we see a friend of Robert Adey Frimpong Ruby Fashion and what they the message free air but say the Ghana card will help Ghanaians in 2024 elections a lot and in Ghana for mo nyina mo na mo tuma mo ntia ndisi for na mo konko register in Chiankoma Dr. KD Asante our Ghana Gas Minister Dr. Osei Yaw Educhum also so anope yi wa chiao Opadimon Felix enso so kyerɛ sɛ odi firi Kumase Swami ɔse ɛmfa ho ne NDC foɔ bɛyɛ Ghana foɔ ɛbɛkɔ so ato aba de atia wɔm san sɛ wɔn mo number owie na ɔka kyɛm sɛ ya menkyɛ ɔno abɔ sɛ etie mensa bunsu fama no chairman ɔde no ho kwaku apia ɛna vice president Dr. Alhaji Mahamadu Bawumia ɔso ɔkyɛ mu nyina na afei ɔno ankasa ne mentor Kwame NPP wakyia mu nyina ko mensa pillar 2 so ɛdi free ɛnkran dɔme ɛna ɔde aba na ɔkyɛ sɛ oh asɛm ato UK foɔ no de ano ɔden pa na nso so onyankopɔn ɔmfa maame Queen Abena Elizabeth ne kra ensie yi pa enchiankoma boache agya ko a wono ɛna enche bia obɛyɛ mampanyin ko mensa pillar 2 dia a ɔde ɛba ye ɛno no Hailey Selassie nso so de bia ba na ɔkyerɛ sɛ mistakes ya Ghana for ye 2008 and 2012 no nya de ebesi biem wo mistake bɛnya si yɛbɛsan pa akɔsan lie akɔto aba se de ma John Dramani Mahama ɛne NDC amanyukuo no ensi biem ɛwɔ Ghana ha na ɔmo no ɔmayɛ ɔmo ho basahye ade MPP aban bɛhyehyɛ ne ɔma no kama ɔmo ti si akyira wɔmo sɛbi edi adeɛ sɛ no sɛ de adeɛ ni wura awuo nti nya adeɛ a yɛbɛsan ma ɔmo kwan ma ɔma bɛbiem Hailey Selassie di ɔde ban na owie no ɔkyerɛ sɛ yɛnkyea onimonyamfoɔ Mavis Hawa Kumsin ɛmfama no Master Red Kaswa ɔno nso so de abo ɔse den ɔse Hawa afa 2024 ɔse yɛde nyankopɔn ase sɛ ɛmfa ho sɛneɛ wiase nyinaa sikasɛm ato ape na ɛtwi na furu so ɛfɛm nanso so ɔmampani Akufo Addo asi nkete a ɔne na aban ayɛ ɔmadwene sɛ mpuntuo ɛna ɔmbɛkɔ so ama no di hene wɔ Ghana ha no ɔsɛ fata sɛ 2024 yɛsan toa wɔn so nyankopɔn ɛmfa grandma Queen Elizabeth ne kra ensie Master Red ɛde a ɔno de free kasoa ɛde ɛbaayɛ ɛno no abusua mo messages no ɛdɔɔso mo messages no dɔɔso pa ma yɛntwi ho mmra yɛba na afei yɛma wo kwan na wo so ɛbrɛ mu bi ne yɛnsɔre so koraa
Ghana Adisie Obuoba Ofori Amanfo Emamo Aten Ediba AHENKAN933FM
and you 1 time 2 times after the big distance to down also crop embrace your grace and brown to case cry who be who what's it your friend lady Lamborghini as the Huna Ujini on some beginning watching the mini beginning come watching the pony funny high what's the honey hey bright Johnny the rule watch yo she wants the money remember men just go slow or better for watch
your red, yeah, nobody is there. Best album, no, you're dead. This is who you as she said. Look back to Samba, yeah, my.
Take time. To all my independent women, shake some for me. Shake some for me. Woo!
Man, one baby, my funny sweet.
Enti ya be ma ne kwan na wabɔ nwom no. Na nso ma wo nso kwan nipa be se enum na mo mra mu ne ye ma ne kwan na ɔmmɔ nwom no kɔpem bra ye be sɔre so.
Enti me hu de me.
Mami fanchi asronko fankom ma. Omanfo bi o ma join yen all the way from crying and important. And unti ye ko eye Ghana Revenue Authority one more headquarters e won crying. Me aminua a wo ho no mo a anope wa me nya ne ntie se edem ono so hwe yen pa.
Come on,
Enti mami fanchi an confirm Opambo Opambo say Oheyen live Ewo Ghana Revenue Authority Wamo headquarters Sanso so ena Kwame Max Ewo Teshi Ono so adwene ya Oheyen Nyame nhira mu nyina you won't come home
like you but I love
afi me ba wo ho na onso so odo di aba betum amaye.
Fellow citizens, I ask you to be citizens. Citizens, not spectators. Citizens,
okay,
not subjects. Responsible citizens, building your communities and our nation. Let us work until the work is done.
What was 0201944485 and 0554820910. Uju hudia bobram na yentio ya borobro nsem bebre no aso ma yentio na fei ye ma DJ ne kwan na on fa yen enwie kra 0201944485 and 0554820910. Ye fa frefo be si numpe ni asoro so.
Men no bakope na me hu se me no makuma ko di obi nchen enti me hu di me se me ko ment now me se me hu di me nye kwani me pa me kono kwani yes so do masa
Okay, first caller. There be Ventimi and Yanaso. Unamu Yading.
Yes, so.
The woman so we can it, what your mommy, hold on, and so man. Come on. The mama kadema kwame pesa wa your mommy. Release me, mommy call home. Please understand me and as a man. Me don't have and I'm immediate. Didn't I come and I want to make pesa me wood. Say yeah or cry and away popcorn. I simply as a mess watch it and I make come on.
Okay, we so there be. Mami nasa dem kwa.
I like you, but I love somebody else. I like you, but I love somebody else.
Ainsi your weekend na ye die. Ye hwe ahusu ye.
I like you.
Na ye nante ye.
But I love
na ye nye niema ye. Ainsi wo die weekend we asem ba ko pe na me ka kire se fa ko. Ni awo ye nyina no bisa wo se Yesu a anko be sa.
Me ho baby my funny say.
And it's na press before you must say asem bi ade bi ara me ye. E wo se me bisa se be Yesu fe. Yesu pe ni sa. Waka ni sa. Sa niema miensen. Ma ene wonante weekend yi. Na nya wo ye bia be yi. Me dia seda call dia ma odi ankan kwa me ye bo wadwempa yin Kofi Mensa call bi ke. Kwa me Asante Billy man. Meeting Obuoba Ofori Amanfo. Nyankopon ya adomo a. Ya besere hia adwoda. Ne ya babeto osom kese ne so. But between now and adwoda no, o ye number na wafre yen de koyi no aboya baso. Ohun. Ni ankoyi no atwe adwen si so no ate ase ama me say nipa na efum. Nipa e na edeche. You wanted that said Joda. We are here who see you. Be Jawed watch a copy cancer for the next 10 minutes. At you foot you.